ewo krowan krata ahodo mu yenkwa na yemabusuafo na chene mbi so msa no pay om ho tesen
ayetia obanyansafo so wo bunubia won kana asem ze mafutu sam kakre wa supreme yo kofi o man ya woman o man ya mama na enyi baby akọ wacha za ya warenyi wonsom wanyinyi pa azade pa wo fio ye ya mo yembera ye ebe.
Welcome to Monday morning.
Max FM 89.7.
Shira, Amani Paya, the Foa, and Yanum, Afanya Misroya, Jumana, Yami Besrayan, O'Brien Boya, Amoya Murai, Abeya, Free Anara, Amabaya, Free Anara, Asitrebaya, Free Anara,
Max FM 89.7.
Welcome to Monday morning.
Yani Bonnie Sika Papa Ejuma Papa And Papa Mudia Ode.
all right tapsi yenkwa yanim nasi yenkwa hamane so na yene Dr. Abatega na twetwe enkomo ene yene doc twetwe enkomo na yebisa doc kwanye ebefa so a yebe build effective digital presence ewo online enti yenkwa na anopai yensua de emfi Dr. Abatega ho Dr. Department ka memo achema mu akwa bedba Max FM
memo machi
mpacho sa hode wo ho
ahode ho etia wetie force nyina
yo etiefo ajo so anopai de wadaruma yefre wana yenkomotia wa
yesanso mamu afishiapa
afinkobetu yen yo Dr. Anopai de wadaruma yepese wo moa ye kwan befa so ye build effective digital presence yepese wo moa kakra
yo medasi question I would yaman no yeah ka digital presence Sisiano, we are sending a corner. First, no, we are in the service industry. Now, see, you do data industry, no, but the Brenard and the number to say a castle the fourth industrial revolution. So there was the fourth industrial revolution. I just said there was the third, and there was the second, and there was the first. Now, building a digital presence, you know, as you say, we do a friend footprint. So, Uber baby, now Uber baby, or what? Ufi Hokwana, Ubian him say, no, Sanipa wait, what baby say, it was our crew with, and I say, we jack Bibia, you do to me a reference. Your tip will be to say, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah is a footprint across Africa. Nekwa almost outside the boundaries of Africa. Now, digital presence because anything. You can digital presence. Information. You have to say, go for information, data. You have to take this answer, but see your PC together. In the your more big digital presence and what we are looking out for. Because data comes in 4 different aspects. Data, it to me is text, it to me is sound, it to me is video, it to me so yeah, data, sound, video, audio. And so your pictures. Say data be obi beka so menya information I just say some element for in what can boom in a way it makes sense. To live a digital presence, no, there are tools around that a boy my way yes idea. And then so be if you show digital presence then say open
Max FM. Max FM.
Visa Akukurufu Frubi. Embassy, you know, the first thing they do is to look at your digital presence. And for example, Omako check the DFN CRB check, Criminal Records Bureau, and who information on what FAO who Krona woman say you do a to Fiadida, so we could do Bonibi, and now Akoye Bibia, a Pochima. Sadiano, na yeshisha. You can see who say, who know as a person with digital presence or one. Ubu to me for within the Akoye Bidu or Krufu for Ubu and the passport ira. One report. Ubu and the ITB ira. One report. Ubu to me for the Krufu for the Ekudi Bonibi. Ubu who say, Wafa we wooding or they are creating nipple proof abi or the Kuyobi visa card. Eda Toby Buamanone. Abe Tonwo Krufu for Ubi. No, with that digital presence, you know, footprint, at the morning. In the Nipper size of the Kuyanko baby, you know. Sakruno, almost 2 deep, because they are flagging water that. Come on, red flag was Akruno. Yea, in our side, you know. They see it to me check it. Say, internet, no cry, you want to see, Anna, I am the fastest stream of getting information, you know. Your digital presence of what it's saying. The first place I hope we are Sadia, no, because there are search engines and search directories. You can search engine as you say Google. I will be happy to let's go and ask Google. And then Google I have to say Bible. Open information via no what type of because almost keep track of information. Any data, pictures, sound, text, and now video. I'm boom. Efano biya. Into Casa, they say telecom companies, you know. Wofre ubi na one Casa was super. Uja communication presence also footprint. Into 10 years from now, to me after that, say, and that day wofre Max FM no mo Casa. Sa record never audio never. Sa no more in America today. Everybody is being tracked. Ufre UKCC, there is an aeroplane there essence in room for 18 hours of the day. A friend a typhoon. Call be able to inside the it is recorded. Call be able to out the it is recorded. Send a bayer. So almost track a criminal beer. Near the Idinia Tagi BB. Okay, when I mention President Mohammadin, the moment you mention his name, the system will flag it and say, okay, yan track is any pair about President Mohammadin or the Dini Koyeding. Almost can someone who phone sana. When wabo minister so and so din. When wabo president ex-president Nanadu din. When wabo ex-president Kufodin. Nkofobia. Almost digital presence, it goes beyond just what you can access on the internet. And it will be this friendly gated communities on the internet, business be a coswa. Ne competitor bit me high criminals be hackers. Say, create another information there, more damaging, more damaging. Nim Hushe, I saw Ubian Hushe na company be hacker from a different country. But now a competitor yes idea no. Into digital presence, a collection of all the pockets of information that you have on these systems. It can give you an identity. Nipa no hu kwa no, o kan hu bibia, we say okay, sa nipa we, or yes say sa business we, say no mo ye, omo e fa bia we, omo ye fa bia we. Into yen, yeah, kwa from 2026 no. E ye say wutumi tna ho. Now we audit it from January to December. What have you done for yourself? What have you done for your family? What have you done for the community in which you find yourself? What have you done for the country? Now what I say you could type BB or Google, say who is Dr. Albert Higina? Then a Google kafa said their Google kafa no say no kura. Then you start looking at how do I change that perception Google has of me. And then digital presence, I wouldn't system being a critical amount because calls now we are connected to the internet. Communications networks, who you see must, IP addresses, they queue it through certain servers. They do accessible to you. And see, so we create presence there to start the year with or going into the next year. One of the places you have to look at is what we call the Google business profile. We started with digital presence. Forget about Facebook, Instagram. There are over 189 social media platforms. Yeah, no, look at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube. Asa, maybe 5 analysis. Open serious digital presence. You go for at least the 16 serious social media platforms that can make you trend. And then cumulatively, it will correlate all the information that it has on you. And also you make sure that what you are putting there, it makes sense. There is another thing about creating a digital presence. When we say, obi betumi start the business bi, or the obi go discuss idea bi, ye pese ye BBC, ye pese ye form NGO, ye BBC. Obi wan say nipa no wa pa ne ho akọ start a wan kan kire no. Nti on the internet we say we betu kwan a, na say ye fan say wa form NGO bi. Idin a wo de form NGO no. Obi fufura akọ create sa di no. E de akọ embassy dada. Idea say we say we platform or authority on the internet. Na ye de wudin any concept na wo pesa we no e de hye. There will be a fan first to market presence. Yeah, digital presence now. There will be a first to come up with something. Now the idea we are the first to come out with, anybody that comes up with other things, wave the singer, they won't get that wave. In fact, when we are the first to hear about this way chocolate drink, and I will go to be no here. Who with testimony no go for the fast to the ako pay biahe. before they also give their version of a review. Digital presence, you must, they say they are vision and a goal. You need to be able to break the thing down. Okay, vision, this is what you want to achieve in the next 5 years from now. You find a student who go school. And so to be someone who say, so who draft a personal strategic direction for your life. With digital presence, it must be included because in there, the Gen Z generation, first in the Christmas time, you were groovy and you did. In can games be our betty say a cosso, and you may be able to say a cosso, and that will be our time in the phone or also. People can be sitting on the dining table as a family. No, we'll be checking WhatsApp also. Where is supposed to be a family unit time or you're distracted because or checking the phone. It's no communication, no bonding, nothing. Obey our family for 2 years, 3 years. Into who yes, I know who pick your vision, your goal, break it down into mission, your mission statement, mission anything. The different components of things that make the vision possible to achieve. Yeah, digital presence now. You pick certain platforms to be. I would suggest LinkedIn, LinkedIn.com. Look on Facebook. A lot of people have clamored on the Facebook and they say it doesn't have so much authority. I bet that it is an advertising portal. But LinkedIn, a platform there. A whole professionals or moko. If you want anything to be represented about your presence, you start from there and connect it with a Google business profile. That tool, it will be enough to start you with journey.
No, can you not pay a better say any addition idea? Well, my yes, you are not pay that's a name omre no adaje, that's a pa. And your father man is also now and come be a better when you and from that yenje. Why?
Yo, Obia person frame was 0247 640 273, and I said 0202 83 2020. That's it.
You. Yanni Dr. Abetegan and Acheche and Comono. Doctor no pay, that's a pa. Doctor me a Siadiano pay. All right, I'm saying, I'm Roman. Young Koshan Comaho and no pay ya baby Pimu, Ewo, or May Mabusia for nothing. Say, young Quena, Imisa, Arena, no pet saying,
Kumi Yamia Dumo, Miniaji, na many Jenny say, and 22nd.
Ne cracker.
Ne cracker is say, just say, Mr. Samu break here about 3 weeks. It's a bit of a number, need Jabuna Minam. Samu break here about 3 weeks, just a medium.
Oh, what's in a field when Yaji?
No, I'm pushing. I sorry, cry. So far, my account register. I market the last register this week. Check a short 3 term. Not so for sorry for January to December. Actual 3 term. Oh, next year just say a squad a year call. So don't mind there. I may break you out solely. Or something just I'm not making. I'm just saying. I got register with Kai who was already my house. Me I'm in school. They say my register. I didn't have a kitty. In the upper register brain was already there. Can you say, then you be breaking?
Why, Papa? Me, my catch will be said, break, I be breaking my milk coffee. Your mamma, do man, I mean, Kobe.
The radiasi, more bravo. Why?
Best
employee of the year. No wonder, so CEO never.
Office guy, Papa.
See you, office guy,
and Eddie,
Almost obedience, so I prepare a show my bright, so you can equally come. So we just have to get you the activities now. Now, what kind of doctor? Medicine, you whom swear. Over to Dre.
Good on a pet saying. Tell so Baba now.
Oh,
I will go break.
Ni na isi kuma so kwa so what?
Oh, kumi beba meba. Kumi so beba.
Meba.
Oh, yeah beba.
Did you be ko so menti aso?
Yeah beba. Dia na ko.
Ai na kumi beba ejuma gwinu beba.
Na se kumi TV mama obra member. Yes, I remember I don't catch any mama so family let do.
Until do chere me me wife ni ti do.
Pega, who yes no. Pega, who yes no.
O cross mati ahe.
Ba cho hwe ni ho. Yo. Pam cho mama yanko na ye hu nkoma hodo aba be pie mo mai mo madara.
Oh, me say yakwa samba biemo. Yakwa samba biemo, and it's a beautiful week. I call it a beautiful and then a very good week because 25th no Thursday just a Christmas break na na so not just a cry 2025 2025 abe bebre ye pentama piano ti kono mfa ne di onko not just what 2026 has for us. So going around the world, we've gathered a couple of stories we are bringing to our church listeners this morning all across our platforms. So they can tune in on to Max FM 89.7 this morning to get the latest and updated news headlines from us this morning. So going into the news headlines this morning, beginning with the general news. Mahama directs release of 1 billion Ghana cedis to contractors owned since 2017. Joy News.
Joy News and Ekaria watcher say, Omampeni John Dramani Mahama and a nei wonam a year or swap for shay sika sem ensa so say contrage foa a buy no de one eka a free pimpinum any dun sunimu na state no anasa or mine edi womoka wonum eye adwuma yentimi entua wonum eka no or swap for shay sika sem so emomodin ase wo betua wonum ka eye emprempren ya sade ebe ya akwan ahodoɔ bi esese wonum eye no wo mutumi ewie ansa na yewura mfimpinu ene aduonu ensim.
Moving to the northern region, 2 nurses security guard arrested over alleged baby theft at Tamale Hospital. Joy News.
Joy News announce waka we asem ya wo kire se wo kopiemu ewo atifi mantamu a won kropon mu Tamale anasifo mienu ena afen so security guard baako ena posifo abomodi aso won paachi ni nyina ene se wo bo won so bo se eyesa anasifo mienu ya security guard eka hu wonum awia akoramono kora kire se enso ani.
Still in the northern part of our country, police set up security in Nalerigu following burning of 2 houses. Daily Graphic.
Daily Graphic and eka we ya kopiem e won Nalerigu a eyade ase aposifo asore gina won naso ye papa wo hwese bambo bekoso e won atenaye ni nyina ne se mentemi ho ase bi ekoso e ma eno nam so e ma enipa bi mu etwa ejato efie bi mu a na chese kowi a che efie mienu e na enipa ye twa jato mu a ahyedwere be eno e na aposifo se da bi we do mo tena so enye yie ene nti sese wonum eyire bible mu e wo atifido mantamu ko mu kuro ba ko a ye frɛ no Nalerigu. Daily Graphic and Ebosa Amani.
Police raid Tamale in anti-narcotics operation. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom chrono and walk career watcher say. Aposi for Abamodia na chesisi ade won mechere say. Esasa bambo hon se metimi gina brane papa. Esan se Ghana for beka ya enche na de beto monimu say. Aposi for ate wonum ho agumonten so. Ya eno wo atifi mantam won kropon mu Tamale. Ni nyina ne say ye chichi enipa won eton enubone na wokopiemu ewo Tamale dia enuton bone ne de ama no munu su ye papa ema emabunu ne sei aposifo gusu a wonum enenam Tamale abontene so a enei de ekese wo wonum ane yato ahyew so na chese yedua wo ya so opa achi ni nyina ne sei yetim de so bo ana yetim tetawa hu sei uton enubone ana unya nubone a obeton eni nti aposikuo no ne fa baabi a wonum ehwe enubone hu adwadiye ehu ensem so na enei wabomodin akwakoto ahye nipa bi mu so ewo Tamale wo chichi sa enipa ya wonum eton sa enubone.
So our last story on the general news. Temporary blackout hits parts of Greater Kumasi. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom and eka we ya watch se okopiemu e wo Asante Bantan won kropon Kumasi a e fa baabi e ya de se de ka ne dumsolization akopie honom kora che se enye nika ya sa de yi e hyase enura na efiti saa enura ebesi ene anopa yi still a enipa a won mo Kumasi fa baabi won mugusu a ewo edunso mu.
Moving to our world of business, Ghana's unemployment rate ceases slightly to 13.0% in 2025 third quarter. Joy News.
Joy News and the ensemi ba na chesa atadwe ya tedele. Mabuna nanka obekom no ye graduate. Ye university, ye tertiary, any dear obeko babunu onya adwuma nye ene Ghana ha de na edoso ye papa. Percentage ne na edoso ene aba beto dwa se. Yade say unemployment anas mabunu a wonu enya adwuma nya na nipa wonu enya adwuma nye. Nanka anka ne no percentage ne edoso ye papa. Na nso say eso ati say hu aba bedru ohamu nchemu abupen dumiensa 13% yeka asat afia mu third quarter ewo 2025 mu. Joy News and Ekasa in some way.
To our second story for the business today. Trade Minister meets tomato traders and transporters to resolve industry impasse. City Newsroom.
City Newsroom no gusua work we are watch say. Eye was wafo a wo hwe edwadie hu ensem so na chese Trade Minister na eneyi wabomodin a so le free na dwam. Ene eye enipa a wo no eton ntosi said ye ka no no. Tomatoes wamu omokra efri amanone eba o my Ghana mu wamu omudi free aha ekwa amanfoforo so ya wode wonum nyina ahia wo tena se edi nkasasie said ye be ya enu hu dwade esuso no ebetumi achina ewo o my Ghana.
To our international news. 9 killed, 10 wounded in South Africa pub shooting. African News.
African News and a watcher say ukopiem ewo South Africa. Eho de enyanwanwa. Chese ye ni na tututuo. Ye ni na tututuo. Ama no homene so a masese African News ka bi say na no ada na tututuo ekọ so a ekọ wi a kire no enipa mako enkro na wonu mafamu ahwere wonu enkwa video kura ba bonten. Na enu akiri no enipa wa fam aprepra so mako edu 10 na tututuo no kọ so no wo monso efam aprepra ya African News ka bi de kire.
Another 130 abducted school children released in Nigeria. Joy News.
Joy News and eka we are watching say Nigeria for kopiemu atadwe yatedele. Ade ase asukuu fo nkwala ni pabonfo bi ebekekere wonom ya ewi akire yi empanifo bo modin ekwaji ebimu ede wonom ekoma wo mo maame a nanka enipa mako 150 asukuu fo nkwala aka no ade ase na wo hu omo no se sei empanifo te wonom hu gomonten so a mfa nkonfa ma ewi akire no enkwala no mako oha ene aduasa 130 ena empanifo asan akwaji wo mo a wo mo nsa ka wo mo sesei wonu nka wonu maame nchen a chese wokodi wo mo maame aduane.
So these are the stories we brought to our church listeners this morning on Max FM 89.7 and we'll do outstanding stories for discussion this morning. So my story of interest lies where the 2 nurses and security guard arrested over alleged baby theft at Tamale Hospital, and the name of the hospital is One Heart. One Heart to say I want you know and I ask myself for be a born home the name na yere nan yere so born home the akra you for 9 solid months. It's not an easy journey to all pregnant women out there. It's not easy. Yeah would down in the year come now just say why home modern poundness you're supposed to protect the mother and then protect the child. When the security guard also is supposed to protect the going in and coming out of the people. No money na back na mo tontom ngwala.
Irene we me twa no e na we no enya de a enwanwa
o mama de enya wanwa
utimi ko hospital baby eche na afi inspector be se wo ba yira
Ubayela, and I will free. Bebe na because we free. Bebe na yes we free.
And idea e kwa so papa. E wa ya resabi ahodo no and it's not nice. Nurse ni obi be kutanye nsen.
9 months.
Mako enkrum na for your own selfish interest inti.
Sikenti.
Afa akwala no na
Waton.
O de na komo obi.
Nipa so yaton, and no green or ni so nipa yaton nipa.
Hey, Antony Bank or Moses Saturn.
I know because I know they don't humans, just selling human.
I was a doves for more when you
Oh, so those who have taken the issue up. So those who have taken
northern region and Kwa and air cost. You were health sectors be brew, hospitals be brew on one. Sadi and air cost. Obi bear yes, oh, by free mo. Obi bear yes, oh, Bana, you say. Obi bear yes, a baby actually not just.
Quite recently, I think same incident happened in Tema. I won't mention the hospital's name.
Yeah, don't mention.
But now, taxi driver no yes smart no for police for. Or see my many be fan, my many fan if you drop and then you call hospital ho. I'm go through hospital ho no. And my many so up and or jade. Not a wako. I wait for this woman from home without a baby.
Oh, but no,
I said, my many bonokita quiet. And so say, well, not a dream, and baby, my many bow and a better coffee about. Or should I mean, there be something fishy about the woman. And so say, I'm more bad, and I got my panicho. Or Jensoka Kraba. Into piano or get a call. Say police for saying say, now my mini this is the direction you are going to. And I'm sure more point to. You found by in just say a tongue or be back. And I'm with some niche, media some little coin. You catch him, I'm not wearing a tone, but in the money free. No more become see up and I did that. 1 hour from out. One hour from out. I don't know what I know what to remind.
You don't watch a woman.
We say nipa. No be a bomodian in the year. Then you know bomodia cranny, but solid 9 months. Do you know the kind of trauma that happens within this 9-month period? It's not easy. Some people have been hospitalized the whole of the month, the whole of the period till they give birth. Don't para bonum. I'll pass it through the stress. Now I want a bar. No woodness. The same people come to bow. Besides, say you want a bell them.
Patronia Tiani say. Yes, say, and yet a nurse for no Quadano, Acoton, and Asa Quabisa Nemum no.
The person posed herself as a nurse.
Been a year who say
as a nurse. But the story that came, they said 2 nurses. But could be mommy to be on
security no is not
2 nurses now. I perform 2 nurses or more duty.
Bakumi,
and
how can you
duty? No.
I want clarity.
Not responsible.
Yeah. But the fire more. Don't you know that you the fire more?
Yeah.
But the fire more. Can't you tell that? Yes. You know me who? Yeah. You better say you better say you are in this world.
And it's a whole
you should know that our non para be just all that one kwa injection. What shows? And possible say I want in kwa.
Be free abontin aba be fakra without you the nurses
knowing the person.
Nurses on duty.
Intina ya tunsa from say omumra no mumbe boa.
You want to call us and say about suspect death say ya investigation in so we
it's high time I was saying for money kwasa ade no papa because we betinya ko hospital akwa when you be ba ho
yes akwa
vigilant yes so be free mu. What yes, if you cry now inspector bet na ho say obet me yira just that. What you say? And it was something for the money see from was sad no papa untimi mbekuta nyensen na ebe wiaje no kwa kwa 9 solid months awadi now within a twinkle of an eye
now me say green madam be asem we to no onu po ye na so o say owo akwara no like owo akwara ni bibia afi hours later ni nyonko na sister ba say uba ne free mo o say till now o te hade ne ye na on ti ase na say madam uba ne free mu ye meanwhile mechi hospital we dey any test
and ebi musukura oho no ma they switch babies ye di obi ba ebi awu
ni na brel
shira wo say
uba no
free mu meanwhile so na anya wo ba ati ase emede na die na bebrebe ankofo ye
na ebo fa so this is some so if you should track it back but that's na the subabo say what of fechi and but na yasa kwalo hospital could be story so like you are saying mama I want to say the person posed herself as a nurse to come to the hospital to take the baby or so ko Japan so dey ko na yakọ one panie now who nurse wa who say this is a stranger a total stranger so a student nurse mpo you dey go around
what you say
a year introduction and all that orientation
you guys are the nurses on duty and intini bibi e be koso bia
na good say on pani mpo unim nimpo no bia ba emphasis maybe student nurse wa ba student nurse say young only ni share ent na juma ni nche ntu ni no bi aba wo na wo what no bi aba say me be jakro na want to do any follow up na trust away ja obi ba man say faneko
hey tight
that's security guard require that's the member say be ba ho now why do we have that word on you security why do we have that word on you say security are supposed to protect the going and coming out of the people around the institution you've been asked to work for.
Say, man, first say watch me, young come here, come on. Watch mine. And I make sure say first say watch me. Now me do my come kusi say mo sesan ba security.
It's really bad. Very bad.
Yes, watch man be.
Very bad.
Most society need by security nana. Tete almost who from watchman.
Who's the watchman? No, we'll do it.
Oh, from watchman or
it's not true, it's an English word. Mother, you see, because the upgraded, yes, it's upgraded, so they don't like. It's a name, moon, just like police for the almost drops to the alpha. It's I'm just praying that they shouldn't just leave the issue anyhow. But I won't fast. Let's get to the depth of the issue because yeah, said 9 months according to now him at one could maybe a frog then I said for that couldn't have a pair, maybe say that couldn't have a pair, maybe say that couldn't have a pair. No, I knew 9 solid man doing brow brenna or be far. There's a 10,000 or 20,000 or 50,000 baby months what on nipa. Share. Me mo pa the owners and was so share by yes. As the mokobana uhumenima. Obe say yes. You don't work like that. It's so wrong. It's so wrong. You don't do things like that.
You. Ana pay e bedama say mama ye hu nkoma hodo aba be pie mo mem ye dama say.
Why? So that say bebre. Mr. Doctor wa train.
Okay, who could do kono?
Menya yanka.
Na bisa sister so no so be di den.
Only fufu na Monday na Friday on fufu ndia.
What's about Maka? Eh,
okay, Miss Owen,
what's it?
Who can demand it?
Eh,
Miss Welsh,
Must be videos here.
Oh, my
Welsh, I said, because I did it. Welsh, I'll go back declare.
Mantinia can day
until on cash. I
some baby out to no ben.
Maintain. I'm going to be coming and make bosso.
I'm sure for that was it.
Welcome to Monday Morning.
Eddie na kwa bia so ye pompe unim hospital bia na waboa me na gya wadi manim na enti se na me kan na why
Wa de o.
O se na me ne wo kan na
One me kan de. Manti, one me kan de.
me hia moa o
Ndie moa.
me se me kwa family planning
One yentimi nyo family planning this year ya vasectomy. What
be ma no ene ye be me den
vasectomy.
ene ye den ye be yi me sen
Yeah, ye be yi we no. Emuma.
boss me no boss me
no bet me perform your right but
na from so koba na ekutwa me be me
so
na it me affect my holding
it's done by specialists hey obi a was specialized was
me kwa that man by my hand we say
that yes that's the easiest operation cra yeah among all operations and no easy and you know yeah vasectomy but no why you obi ni ye cra na coming years me betimi awo because I read one article be a nipano after 15 years.
Oh yeah.
And no see hospital no see. A friend is a doctor now or your man.
Oh, me cry there, me nya bi be 20 years kwan and there. Be say na me nya pension baby bi. E to abusu afọ no say say be say mawuko. Because ehun bi ehun hia.
Oh the how waja wo mu.
Ehun hia. Because na na ma keka kono. Adwuma na ye ya adwun say ye si post se say ya. But ehun inframa no enya kono.
na to hundia sa uto abetia uto abetia
edion
enti no onya yidia na ne tentem so na ne akwa ye vasectomy na apel baby atena because onso
de oni baby na ye wi na waboa me na me sika ready why
usika ye ready wo na sika na de vasectomy na de na won fa sika no ye fa ne se wo mo aka no
ena no lady bia me ne ye yina me si onya wotre na onya yina me yere tie be hadwen ena o si o ende o be ye yi ena me si o kwa no ko bisa ho asem no frame ya se hospital no se o beje 4,000
nanga je so nwu na owo a be ku akwala
eno kraso ho and I'm quite I'm could be say pampers and listen. And yes, 1 cedi 50 pesos a womb, 2 cedis a womb, 2.5 a womb, 3 cedis a womb. I mean, 1 cedi 50 pesos at the end bizarre.
The one down and the best in any session, Robbie.
Young fast dama kivo hot pepper. Yes, Robbie, dear. Na yes, Robba, near the unsaid. As I said, you are not yet in a ship, pa, Nina say the kivo hot pepper, and I ye. Omo boy sika femu man of pay the max morning due to my dear bro, yet come for the ama obibia say. So we ye diane at the many padodo de. A year na ye divia, ye can't want some pie, ye come for kivo hot pepper the amount. Nonsense cruise I would do a restaurant, I would do now, dear Diana, no be said once a man. A siam pack, ye the kivo hot pepper, and a year yentia come for the amo bibia. Mega cash lucky box, boy, sika femu. Network be our so or say over dial star 426 star 8 hash. Over selected number 2 Max FM. And where she boxes in Makumba Kunsia, but Babomodi answer over selected or lucky number. 5 Ghana cedis, 10 Ghana cedis near Chiro Hong say, Sikabia wa ho de beso. A fee 5 Ghana cedis, ekosi 2,000 Ghana cedis, or the tosso, Shannon so. The more now Sika Dawson, the more now Scanner Wunya or Mummon Sweat Dawson, Tishan so say. Obama Sikani my drew. Impo. Udi a great as and fast will be a Fumamba, a Buama Unya Pines, Emma Novella Watch and Win a Cosso, El Max TV, a defia than you may no my bra. The beautiful green around the cow, any petra transino. Utimi, enya chedia who do pee, and I know if you had an Amerihemo. I am Amerihemo. Omo munya Regina ne.
Oh yes, I'm fine and your head.
Na me hwemo pa. Na me hwe bibia. Enti oma beja na omeba de su. Oh, omeba ne.
And no.
Omo ma de nche so kura.
Hwe, banka ma de ache so.
Enti bobodi ase odo ho baji mu na bra baji wa chede. Mas ba se yan kancho se usika no enso a bomodi ambra be puem ya so ye deposit 100 Ghana na ye ma phones na use ni kakra ye phones a hudo bi ti se Philips SS20 ene Philips SS10 na ye de ma enti usika no enso a o ba o de Ghana card ena beba any 100 Ghana cedis na yema mobile phone na ko yusu ni kakra unya no ba bia gi se mas ba omo boy sika fam ma no pay ye the max money ndi ujuma de ebra o enko
kumi medase we nso so eye mas buy kro no a said ye wonum promotions ahodo no a ya chiche mu no se be ya wo bia ebenya ne de no won echese we ya fisher pa promo pa na ye de ma atofo nyina yate ohamu abupan aduasa 30% discount na yeri edi free so wonum say better wo LG 7K twin tab washing machine ya ankane no nanka 3,400 Ghana cedis say ya to say who 2,800 Ghana cedis TCL 98L freezer ankane no na 2,720 say 2,320 Technospark Slim and also so ankane no na 2,750 say 2,650 ya obese every 200 Ghana cedis Samsung A07 ankane na 1,070 say 1,383 Ghana cedis bomodia na betobi esanse wonum ekire sem promotions ne de wo mo chiche mu a usika nso we ya usika beso we usika nso we ya usika ebeso we eni nti no ba bia wo pese wo de fa bia no ye de befa ho e de amawo bomodia na fra must buy e was 0544 019552 0544 019552 and 059 4091 122 059 4091 must buy say ube pm o Madina Zongo Junction on ewo ho Tama Community 1 or ho Junction Mall or West Coast Mall or VVIP station opposite Telesol or door rice area one ewo ho La Paz Start Time Build one ewo ho Kaswa Takwadi filling station on ewo ho no mum sa enso anada Kuma Junction ye ne Masafam Mass TV ene wodan kronwa mu odo comment traffic light wonum ewo ho no mu bowra ho na kwaje eye sa eniema we ya maboboso nyina ebiemu nso so wonum egusu a wo kire se buy two for less no ade a ekoso ye papa beto eniema mienu wa bra betu esika ne kakra bi baji uti se washing machine ene ne kettle sanso na Infinite Smart TV ene ne smartwatch Tecno Camon 40 Pro eno so ene ne smartwatch na fasika kitu ebi ebra beji bowra wonum website www.masbuy.com.gh na won so kohwehwemu ne awope no won susu yi eba no masbuy dia ade papa a ne bo afu yi papa ene eye sika o sika eye sika o sika utise eye sika o sika o natches scratch for win mega cash for say one promotion for omodi abakra ya tu ni din scratch for win we ya krade ekfoforo kra na kire say one any I mass media edika so bomu a yedi pesika egu amanfo botom eni nti wo ye obi a wo pesika de adu dwuma bi na nso do wani akaka uni wo bia wodi wani akaka uni collateral ebia wo ho no ma wo kasa wo kɔ bank ya wo de kwa kosia wo wa uni wo bia wo kasa wo kɔ bank ya obedu wakagine mu amokoda akɔgi sika ana akɔbɔ besia na ni nyina ene sei sesei ye ma besia basabasa esan say scratch for win aba ama manfo atwadi de ehia ne se okita wo mobile phone say ye yam say ye android nasem edam nko ade ene na eye scratch for win for phone na dial star 787 hash star 787 hash na wo dial a edo beko Mass TV Max FM ne wo pese wo choose no na wo choose okwa ebe kire wo say follow prompt no na follow prompt na sika wo pese wo mfanto no eno ebeba efri 20 Ghana ekosi 22,000 Ghana cedis na the more wo di sika kese ebeto so no and the more na ubedi sika kese enti amfa ne se so the 5 Ghana eneto so a ubetime 500 Ghana cedis but so the 2,000 eneto ya ubetime di 20,000 Ghana cedis ni nyina ene se wonum epese Ghana fo emabunu ye benya sika ati ebotom edi sika na wo boss agro we nyina wi a wo last a year step no ebe ma wo say authorize umomo na umomo wi a na kyerɛ sɛ agorɔ no wadi awia enisa ɛyɛ instant udi oto ya na kyerɛ sɛ usika ebegu mobile phones ene yɛntena se enkasa me ho kyerɛ me yɛntena se enkasa minisika me kɔ besi aboda bi ɛyɛ scratch for win aba ama kyerɛ sɛ sika no abu papa pa yɛse krom bɛyɛ oda eno anu botom sika no egu mframam egu phone so bomodi anafa o phone na dial *787# na wonso so di scratch for win to me
Grido yada se emra so yamfa ye street vibe dwumade na nto aso yamfa ma ho yamfa ya se bisa no entudwa na yentwe ho mbra koba na afia ma ho kwan na waba mu ene yenkomo ne yetia wa yese papaye asa megidi pa se sankomo ye wati bida se ye kase papaye asa ene yenye ni papa o ene ye ni papa no de bone etua wo ka ye ka ne sia na asande aso papaye asa ene ye ne wo eba bedi nkomo de afa papaye bi a waye ho ampa se papaye asa ana ene ne nkomo ana no pai ye di wo max morning deal ye street vibe dwumade no ye twa ho aba koba na yama ho kwan na wabam ye numbers ne 05515932 and ana say 0550055522.
The streets, the heat, the energy, the heartbeat of the city pounds and one destination only, the Accra Sports Stadium. This December 24, 2025, the Ernieton Music Group presents the Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition. The Beam President Stone Boy returns to the center stage at the biggest African party. This is not just a festival, but another historic night in the making. Tickets are going fast. VVIP 400 cities, VIP 200 cities, regular 50 cities. Dial *714*2025# or visit beamfestival.com to secure a spot now for an unforgettable night of music, culture, and unity. For sponsorship and more info, call 0501-550-000. This is a decade of dominance, and the torch still burns bright. Stone Boy Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition, Wednesday, December 24th, Accra Sports Stadium. Be there.
Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy giddy giddy.
Mensa Kamekao!
Now what so dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With MaxBuys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any products from MaxBuy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with MaxBuy.
MaxBuy. You shop, you drive.
For further enquiries, call MaxBuy on 054-401-9552. Terms and conditions apply. Approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
When I dey home and want something quick to chop, everything dey inside. Groundnut milk and sugar. I only need some water. So kiss made easy. Kivo carry make Kivo carry for your office. Boarding house. Kivo carry everything dey inside. Groundnut milk and sugar. I only
Kivo 4-in-1 Gary Mix. Soakings are easy. This advert is FDA approved.
What a guan, me conscious brethren. Your favorite roots rock reggae tunes with inspirational vibes. Reggae Max on Max 89.7 with DJ NY comes your way every week, Mondays to Fridays, 12 noon on Max 89.7 FM. Reggae Max, feel the natural mystic flow in the airwaves right into your ears. What?
Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop reggae. 'Cause reggae is
89.7 we'll rock. Max FM, what do you do? Kita say? Kumi kasa eye baako pe edi no eye baako pe menkens ne kwasi ada untumi fa do adan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututuka ututudam utututam wajibam watufie watubum watutodan obejibam obetubam obetuka kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji wedi ti na me dane di wunji di misibisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pe be aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masaya se
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM. Max FM 89.7.
All right, James, I am Wakwaba and Fambra Max 89.7 Max Morning. The one was Sugusu Utieno. I feel now do a feed not I am Wakwaba Max Morning. The Abawa Kwem, that you had a question if you had no pan, see a question no pan on chrome. Yet, I say, you be a brabo moon come or may moon come on and come by Bemu and Yaje and come by Bemu Asri and come by Bemu Shadia. Nti bomodi ase obejebre ni adagye da bia wakan ho ena so yeda fofre frame kumi kasa me ba na me ni aba the beautiful green o DJ Holy Aaron the Kwao your producer your friend Mr. Bobby Emra so ye fast da makivo hot pepper mo boy sika famu ma ye de ye street value me de na to aso de ama bomodi ase obenya bia kan fo de ama obi bia ne titru ne ma mo ye nduane e wo choba ne restaurant ahudo nyina mo boy sika famu ma yade yen street vibe jumade no etwa so ede ama okodwa so a kasa mepeme ko na hyehye nanso eyede no bia be ma kivo hot pepper omode aso obenya bi fadi jumade nyina eya na yese papaye asa megidie pa asa san komi wate bida papaye asa na eya na empempi no beti so bi e kase papaye asa na chese sa nipa no ayo bi papa ama nipa ne de bone atua ne ka ene ye no ba bedi nkomo na ya hwe experience with papa bi a wo de ye ma obi na ehunsunsan so na papa na asa e bone na omo so omo kase papaye asa no eyampa wo ne omo ye adwene adenti ena wudne omo ye adwene se ampa papaye asa ene ne yankoma na no pa yedi ewo ye street vajumadi ne so many aba green no be sha se na bisa se yese papaye asa eye no kre one omo eye adwene ana green akwa ba biom
mejo sukumi
Yɛse papa ye asa. Menim we experience with papa bi a waye.
Oh, papa de da ne abre nyina yeye. Man se mpanimfo wo kasa bi se etirente ya yenya ekyehye. Ti wanza ya ye nipa ya yeti asase fasase so ye hu ye nko ade. Papa ye na asanso de bia ibusu ayeye. Enti asanso ensan. Just that oh yeah ya hweyi. Na enya papa bia soso na obeye. Me de me hu ni se sa kasa no aye ka se papa ye asano eye kasa keke. Eye kasa keke because I don't think and I'm not sure say obi wo ahohiahia mu na se nipa no ehia emwa na wo bia na utimi hu se uwo atinka ne odo emanipa a obemanipa no akwa ahohiahia mu ama na ahohiahia no akumu no obebo modin asa won so obeboa do aya na empempi no obi wo ho apapa no enwie ne yiye die but eno so nkire se nipa ne jai papa ye obetumi aya ahwe yiye ewo ho nanso papa ye no ontumi enjai ye enti say so far as I am to mean jaye no nko ade ensae mimi hu ne say aya na ye kasa and sa kasa na is always a result of say ungratefulness ebi aye ena ma yetumi ekasa kasam ewo yaudie mu but papa ya nkasa say no ensae na emom ekoba ne sa aya na yaudie na ye de kasa nti ye kasa ye ka but papa ye ensan
nti wonu mo enya adwene se papa ye asa
oh papa ye ensan but ya mention ye kasa ye ka aha akoye samnom bi a wo ho what you say as a kasa fufuro bia ni ho bia mu a ye de be hye ho no mo ayi nti no ye ya na ye kasa e say papa ye asa ba papa ye de ensan so see be we frat as fast as isu nkwa de papa yensai
yo the beautiful grino ena yete ne nka no yeda na se wabue kwan ne mu e de atum yenkwa hama ne so na yentie ne abusuafo e ofie so e woka e de efa yenkomo ho ye numbers ni nie 0551598321 0551598321 and I say 0550 0550 and I say 0551598321 and then your numbers are not pay ye de edi juma ewo maximum indi juma de nso ye bisa say eyampa say papa ye asa na omo ya na mo ka se papa ye asa no onu omo ya adwene we experience with papa bi a wo ye ekwan na ye fa so etua oka onu omo ya adwene se papa ye asa ana 0551 598321 0551 598321 and I say 0550055522 eno na ye numbers a ye de edi dwuma anapai na green o ka se papa ya san na emom no ensan na emom no ye ya ye nya ahweyi a ahweyi no kwaman so
oh on say enye adie bia na empempi no so wontere they say do the right thing at the right time and empenimfo wo kasa bi say ye nyina atechem enyi obi emfiri amenam oya saa mu nyina mo beto amenenu mu eninti se wo pese wonye obi papa na se wo fin se papa na wo ye no wo ho enso anadu wo bekwa hunyehia mu a Bible say do yonko so ho ba wan kasa do yonko na town eninti di se wo ho beso nkwa dia fine se wo ho nso a enye by force se na ewu ni ho no manko de ni betire ba bi foforo mpacho wati ase nti I believe in do the right thing at the right time mpacho kumi wotemase aha ti saa na wo se wo ye ahweyi ni bi no ahweyi ni bi no wo hwa wo ho se wo betimi aboa amana yeye nko ade why not but wontumi mboa enya na memremfe kwan so enya by force
0551598321 0551598321 and I say obetimi afre 0550055522 0551598321 and I say 0550055522 say production team no bibia da din ti e be se say ne dia hamane mu ada ho emu ada ho okay all right enti enko 0551598321 0550055522 yes papa ye asa yampa say papa ye asa ana enti yenkwa hamane so na yentwetwe nkomo abusua mache
Enia
bibi aboko
nyanko panda ro na so
eho adominu abeni
paso gerson ni
minu aboko
adoma wa kwa na so
nyanko padom me ho ye ya no atwe ho afra radio no ho kakra bi ai
madum no na me driving na
adaro ma yenti
yo menu ameda se asem we de so we sit on telephone I come am papa yasa in a way say the ye papa am nipa so we need to nipa so pa so ye papa man so we nya something in return they forget it and then you any free any tramp any focus the papa here asa but so ye through akuma mu and the ape usra they are fine because you can say the nipa in fact the papa is there and papa nyina no at the end though amu chamo I found the good guy and I said you can any wire no be like you sister when you buy a face baby when you wire when the no have stay with you I found the sell guy I can't the papa pa be in fact so onyo bia wakuma mu etso and I said oh what's up the plan of the madia that's how you papa mobi that's the time be what do we actually so I'll get something in return yeah and you forget it but I say oh yeah man yanko pon that's how you dey appeal with for nyame o I don't know be fine
you all right guess you that say na pay say odi wadwen chiro nim dia aboa ye nkomo ye da se pa ye da se ye nkwe na 0551598321 and that's 0550055522. Na enkomo ba ko a mepese me no mienu ye besusu ho na megidie pa se eskufu amakwan kwada na makwan kwada na wo fie semri a me no kasa yi impo so mo makwan kra megidie pa se na otwi mu enkwada ne nkaifo no mo makwan no omema kwan na omaba fie na ya na enkwada no emakwan se ya ede na ya na yehu yeta hu awofo no se eya no mutama omoma no etukwan ekodi holidays e obabi eya na awofo no ema omoma no etukwan ekodi holidays ena minia ba ma bi e won kran kodi holidays e won nche me ka se holidays ne na otwe ba ko na otwe mienu ena minia ba e okoforuria kodi holidays e won nche me ma me e okrokitu amu kodi ena kakra e won nche na yaman koda no akwa kodi holidays ahodo ewo ya busuafo yenuanom ya nanfo nchen ena no pa me pese yeni nkomo na yensusu hu ne yenhwe se ede ne ya trimponti a eya na yaman koda no ekodi holidays ewo ya busuafo ho ede pa na eya trimponti a koda na ete nchen no utimi man koda no kwan se kodi holidays ewo menua ba mai ho kodi holidays ewo me papa ho kodi holidays ewo me wofa ho anase mo wofa ho ede ne matimpo it is because say bia na eye aduane ankoda ne bedi na ye nya momo eye sika de behwe ankoda no na ebi ni ho ntina ye ma ho kwan se ankoda ne nkodi holidays anase ye motaye ne senti ye na ye ma ankoda no ekodi holidays e o baabi ye kan say na ye na ye ma ankoda no ho kwan so mo nkodi holidays e wo baabi foforo ye na suban ahodo pii ye ankoda no timi ko ekosua de ba ubonsa akoda no bekwa kodi holidays e o baabi akoda no bekwa kodi nabi e o baabi no beba na fe ni suban asesa suban bi akoda no beda nadi santete no unim ho hwe kura enye ntete bi ade ama akoda no mu kasa bi enye kasa wo na wo kire sa akoda no ubonsa akoda no kodi holidays ban no na ode sa suban no aba beka ne ho nyina ne se o ma ho kwan se onkodi holidays ena ba ko anase na mienu bi wo ba bi mra eya na ebi so kanfo eka ne ye sampa ye man koda no ho kwan no mu kodi holidays na ya na ye omu hu abusuanfo ahodo omu hu se ne ye ne abusuanfo tene omu hu abusuanfo bi omu ni momo anopai kwan bi aso ya makwan koda no be ko holidays ye pese ye hu ye trimponti ye na ye man koda no kodi holidays ewo ye abusuanfo ahodo ho ede ne pese nkoda ne nkosua aduane na yeni ti na nkoda ne nkodi di wo baabi sika ne yeni bi ede behwe nkoda no dede ne yempa wo yasum ti na ya ne yese nkoda ne nkodi holidays o baabi ana se de yempa na ye trimponti a ye makwanse ya na yese nkoda no nkodi holidays e wa abusuafo bi ho me de grino e be hye enkomo yase ye wie na mama ho kwan na wabamu grino
kumi
boko
nyame adu
enti ye din komo ne ahwe ede ne ya trimponti ya na enkoda ne makwan na otwe ba ko na otwe mienu yese monko mo ofa ho monko mo papa pahin ho monko enkran monko koforidua monko chese
ya to
magu enkoda be 5 ukofia obia we konkran we kosi ebi kirim se fine omokọ akwama na eboa umtimi kosua enema ahoduo pinia but ebi nso kirim se ebi a wo akoda ne wo nche no ntete a wo de ma akoda no wo fa so onua na obekọ ne ho no ebi a onya santete ne ma akoda no ubonsa akoda ne be call holidays be ba na fe edi nkomo foforo kasa enye wo na wo kira akoda no na fe akoda no e di atam eye ne papa mu anase ne boni mu e de ne ya trimponti ya na ye man akoda no kodi holidays o baby
metimi aka se efa baby no eye ne papa mu na ya na empempi ne papa no do so sene ne boni no o se obia nim na busuam na obia nim kwan a odi akola ko baby a obehu se de nipa no ne akola ne betena afa me hu ni say what way the other nka eye se akwala emma kwan a wobetumi edina kɔ ebia kuroketu ama na kurokasi mu at least change of environment eye na se woni mabusua wo firi mu dia eno ne fa beta se akwala ama kwan na wobeka o kodi holidays e wo fa ho ana kodi holidays e wo nana ho adu ba bia at least omunko no munko ye ebesie discipline kakra because o ma me na papa na de bia ye hwani mu sa no a enye ebaza na sebi nkola no ko bezie ye hu se eye normal but okodi holidays bi wo fa bi ho ne wo fa bi ho ana se ne auntie bi ho ne nana bi ho no mo a it's all good ena kona wo kono onche bebre sa enti no suban bo honum kra na so opeke kra na oba obetimi asa atia no mimi hu ni say ankra but eye
be man koda na kodi holidays
ehia se wo so mo konko ade a omonko
yo mepese ye bekwa hama no so ye hwese ye benya abusuafo ba komenu bia na ye ne omo ensusu sa enkomo we ho ne enti a anase ye chipoti ye man koda no ekodi holidays e wa abusuafo bi ho 0551 598321 0551 and that's 0550055522 Machie
me Joseph Kumi Kata
Bra Kwame
Namiado Namunse
you who adom ye ho ye pa no pa yentio
menu aba akosi agree
Papa mejo so a
ba tell abakwaje
ejana dum
Namias so wa onim se amamna de yentunchi
sa pepepe
ye ndi koko nemfa afisia package a muyedu nemfa ma adwumawura ene ne wonkafo ene ne mayina ene ne busie na ene master adwumayfo na ene atie for mutedumadi ene mpeni for mutedumadi de afisia package e de mamu ene de mama mo first question is yes, Papa answer. Me met me aka Papa inside. O ka send me say o ye ahweyi na wu. Ni pani ne ade di staff. O be tu nya ye Papa kuti baby. Oni kati tue bi Papa no. O be sofa. Anu na o be hu say wa wu ye sa de no a boni be ba ye bo boss bo no. E be so tina ye. Ojina printing se unyede on shiase amu bebe na aye juma na woni kitu bi ba na ye de bi kakebe penane go so fit o shiase and shiase abi so ye de ojina printing said no obeye de obeba back as a dinkuni ala masaba mu second question no me met me aka say o ya dia aye de aso ani I have said, oh, maybe I will cook Mama Kwan. Make us run. If you are Obran Umache, and also added, Usu Danache, and now Ukumache, and all Sister Benache, Ukuan in Chankakra. There were a crassy any day, and there was a room any day. A crassy any day, I know now remember to do a room any day. Ana akrom ani die no so ani onu na so de ba titu akrasi ani die onwa difference awo onu sa kwa no obrokrom ba mu se no akwa no o akrasi ni die de awo ni mu ana akwa no ko akrasi a wo be hu se akrom ani die de awo ni mu ayesa
yo kwame anapai yeda se waboa ye na edwumadie no akoda nim yeda se pa enti 0551598321 ye di nkomo na ya bisa ye chirimponti ye na ye ma enkoda no ekodi holidays ewa abusuafo ahodo ho de enti na ye na enkoda ya makwan we ye de omo ebi be konkran ebi be kokoforedua ebi so be konkro kitua mu ye si kodi holidays bra de empa na ye chirimponti ye na ye ma enkoda no ekodi holidays ewa abusuafo ahodo ho ye numbers ni nie 0551598321 0551 598321 and I say 055 0055 522. And Bacho Machin.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Boko.
Bacho Bobby Dance Majanshi.
Bobby Dance Majanshi. Many Aboko.
Namiadumo.
Who are
Bacho Mr. Greeno.
Greeno Edge so. Ew. Bobby Wadaruma Yenti one pay.
Damasi. We know now, Moki. We Enigina the womb, but additional so because once what you are, if you are Bano community, no man, or grandma, but the great grandma or great grandma or Nana council where Nana Lema within a band someone here. Which we call I said or more man which Emma almost in maybe oh Kurana to say that may let that in the can yes. Then again because Mamushi and dear town who maybe oh a Jomu who that maybe Jomu and Omusia. If your Basona and Yamawa, which means Yamawa, wow, we need to cry.
Ew. Bobby Elder Sumajash yada sepa se wabuayema yenkomono akọ nanim yada se Bobby chiribi se hu hia pa se yebema nkoda no akọ vacation se wabusuafo ahodo ho na mukosua enema ahodo anase ntete ahodo efi abusuafo so ahodo ho nti ene ne nkoma Bobby enso ede abeka ho 0551598321 0551598321 and I say 0550055522. Me din komo na ya hwe ye trimponti ya na ye ma enkoda no ekodi holidays e wo ye busuafo no we ne papa ma na ase ne bonimu ye ka ne sei ne nso no na ye ka esan se ya na enkoda ne nso bi nso koba obekobeba na asuma deden ne obekọ beba na suma ye deden akoda bi nso ha meka hye time na ye wo ekurase obi nya ho kwa na okoko foridua na okonkran kuma ase ba cheso ohu se ya ye ne tie ekura na ase ya wakokro ma ba ohu se ye de agimi cheso ohu ye nso agimi fuda okoba se ye de se na ni abua radi yesu edin yo eba ne so okoba na ni su ba sesa aduane a yedi asemi ni bedi fufu asemi ni nyina ne se wakodi holidays bi won kran aba ebi nso koba na minchi areta ebi nso koba abrofo nko a ebi nso koba abrofo nko a ge bi a minim no call ayi ba o se ontitwi brofo nko a yankopon adom no obi nyem no no betina kura na se no otitwi papa okonkran ne kura do kosu ya twi oba na no te wan nyise ne ba da fi nyise ne ba brofo ni na atiko yo 0551598321 and I say 0550055522 me hwese benya 1 or 2 calls bi nka ho na yemfa ofra dwumade ni se ebisa mobotai ntia ya na moma enkoda no ho kwan na omukodi holidays ewa busuafo ahodo ho yo Reno
yeah
entudu hu se ne papa mu a
oh yeah yeah dodo na ne papa mu obi ne ho de eja wo ho na obeka hye ne ba so vanessa nkohyegem ana obeso ne ba ne sade akohyegem atiase
emu bi nso de ana ye sika samu na enyo nti ye hwe na
ka ho se ni ani na aka ho
sika ni ho hwe ni ho ase
ni na aka ho nti ye ne papa mu
ko wo ayi ho kodi holidays ho
ko wi man kan yi bia umi so ni mumpo
mankani na yansene ho
yansene ho
o na mini ma me na ye aduane ba ko a na ni die me ya because me no na me ye fast eater se de my slow kakra na me didi ntempa but eno no afi na wo be ti me de atada ni wura ni nyina kabo me
na wa dey
ani wura ni nyina
na o kabo
oh masa many times out
na nzia na be di pa wo say na abu awe yi hunu na ni fansu
Mami ye call we na wasem we dey atwi me pa meti mani asiso. Ma chie.
Eja. Wo ni na afisi apa.
Afen kwa matue. Hwan?
Afisi ze na ma to e baba ako. Keep your secret.
Afisi se na wato hwan me ana grino.
Grino.
No I dey.
Baba.
O se afisi se na wato badin ba ko.
Mate.
Senator.
Samampa ne etu ne badin ye.
O ma me yamu shimi na me ka se me. Na me dey.
Na wo dey.
O do ba to me se se.
Kwa me ahe.
Hey, you keep your secret. Yenti why? And yes, I'm from so nem fa background to me so.
Yenti mate. Yo. Ko wa mo da we na pa dey. Em de pa me dey be na me see dey. Do Christmas say na ya makwan say me na ye wo me dey me tro no. No ko kasi. Si ya makwan say ono krampo na be frɛ sɛ akozia mami na no me di Christmas wa ha na me hia no na me kwa sɛ no obedi Jimmy so no na no obeya mama no ntina every time ya say be Christmas so ne makwan a me ntwe kra ma de nche so me makwan na that day na ma fa me back abam kokuro kasi kra sɛ de ne atena kakra sɛ do ko ko sa Christmas wa so kan sɛ ye ko fu be asa ne akwasa di na hunya ama ye di hunya ma bebre so ya ne de hunya pa.
You keep your secret ya da say afisa say so green no behwe anim na oba na ode to no na bia dia fan de na me de
gumi na ode de yi
o to ma abadin sa say
na de o to badin na ye de
mfata me
abadin to mfata o samampa ne to ne badin
me mpese mabra bo benya nsunsuan so oba so na ekina gu akoka se abranche bia me de tunu kumi
na bra bonye
nti no wo de
brebra mama ne ma
akoda na bra bo siduam a na siduam na wa mfa medin anko bata ho se na me de ne tu kumi na nti ne kwan so aye ohu se be man koda no akodi holidays ye nti sa akoda no koba na se ni suban so asesa eno so yenye ne san
no ane say wotia no eno na ho sa be ka say obi anim na busua but yes obi ho no ma it was surprising say wa won so no on hwese ne banko di akwama oba bi da ana ne busua ni bi hoda because onim the kind of treatment and the kind of lifestyle omulivi nti no mfa ne banye den enko
yo ani na yemfa yenkomo yensi ayedo bibia se wa ba mu wa dwentro nim dia wabo ma yenkomo ya bedum pempen so yeda sinti ye be hye na che se ne kwan so anti ye be hye mo mankoda no enkodi holidays kakra why mo mankoda no enkodi holidays kakra aya na eba ne se aya na ye dwonso ne dia aya na ye tukwa aya ndin because wo be koi e de ningwase na be den e beba same me kozo unim ye friend zones first na ye ko school no ye kan sen ye sports a uze ya na ye boy homoden no na ye tro ye ndin na ye ko zones
zona
ai na ye friend zones nti me table tennis
na ya di
na ye tro me din
okay
ti ye ko ye no na o na ye ko me na chese na utu zanka me ko akiri kama nti ye ko su boy if you suboy ananka abansam if you so ananka abankran ti edu asuboy no ene ye command ba bi e dae student bed ne bi ene ye se me nkoda top na me sremo madarma mumma menna fem so da bi ye che no ba bi unya ne wo beda so me sremo mumma menna fem o da bi u de be ye sister ni pa mienu edase
na da so
dunsogu o manu
kumi
me dunsogu sasa ata na me da me dunso
je chest time
ai dunsogu o manu mukra na ese o dunso
what's ni muro so na na ye usano
ho no na de chinya ne ma me bo me last game
eno ano ye yi wa fi
na ye de me ma ne ka be si su hu ene ma ne ka ko si su hu
asa no yo ma no
ene si su hu de odu abehu na me koi timi anka se mi anka me bo table tennis na se
Johnson ti Anyway, I'm not the Jinso Krobo, I'm the Jinso Krobo's friend.
Etiado bibia say ya fa ho asedama Kivu hot pepper omobo asika fa mu ma ye de street vibe dwumade no ebra ye da ma say bomode aso benya bi ye kanfo de amama mu ye dwuma ochoba mo ye duane ma school sa hodo nyina ye kanfo de amama say mo de Kivu hot pepper ebedi mu dwumade nyina Yemo bibia free shapa. Yemo bibia free shapa. Na me say beye yini enipa wo krom no ahu. Enya easy. Enipa wo krom papa. Yente nkomo yemfi ho. Menim say wa wutie mi say savings ye eye odin dia me say afibia yesimu a me de manu ye savings ye me den papa nyina ne say eye na ye nyantete no amfi yem kwada bere mu say na yesi kura sika na say na yesi sika ye besra no pe uyo wofo na wutie a bomode an say wode say na yesi sika be hye nkoda na se yemu bi anya ne santi ye wo hoyi me ni savings bia o ba bia ende me wu a me ma bebre papa ka pro mu nya ye be se mo bebu ankoda no se sika kakra be ba ankoda ne nsem no mo be trom se na yesise bi anya hwekra ne tie ukobia so a bo modi ato adaka kakra bi se ye konkon bi e na obeto ade ewum na konkon ne be empty fama ankoda no je fakosie obi ma osika kakra bo modin suasua se odi sika be siesie konko we mu me ka se ye nkoda na ye ni je ho paa o se na ye sie sika na ye ni je ho enti bo modin a na afi so akoda na ye bibia chenade tacha akoda ni sika ni titun se wa ma akoda na adwuma na wa ye awie no cheniska na kire ne se onfa sa sika no bi enko hye ne box nim kire no se na esi service ka se na obenyi no sikasie enko ye no bibia eye dene te se na ne ye brei enti yentie na yenhye ne nso enko mai grino beka bi na before that ne yenko hama ne so na ye ne SK menu antwetwe enkomo eya na afe na be ko na wie se ya esane ahodo ne accident ahodo ta asi wo kwan so pa ye ne SK menu atwetwe enkomo in the next 5 minutes omwa yen ekwan be na driver fo be fa de be bo ehun ban de afi lorry akwanshi ahodo ho ye right Christmas mo ye SK menu no pa ye mo afrisha pa ye mo ache mo akwa be ba Max FM gidi pasa no pa bibia boko de
oh nyame adom mo ache mo afrisha pa so
yaje osoro yehu adom yenso ye ho ye pa anopa dia wadaro ma ye frɛ wa na ehia mu akakra afi ne kɔ na wie sɛ accident ahodo ne ye de shabo nsamfo ne ye de hyefie bayie wadaro ma ye pɛsɛ wo mu ayen ye nam kwan so ya ye twika ekwan ahodo ban ne ye be fa be bɔ ye ho ban e de afi lorry akwanhia ho ye ra Christmas mu
yo mesa achia achiefo ne ahwefo mo hwe aba 15 times yeah
ka akwanhyia da bia da no na me ka se ahwehwemu am ye hu se saa ye perception se obunsam no sabi onye ni free phone ti na oye ayinti amade bia bi ade boni bia na e akɔhye no na ye nia yesu ni e ban ene de saa akwanhyia dodo no aba die di kan afine kwa wiesi a wohwe a nipa wo krom bitibiti ana dorafo no sabi adufudi pe boni ani brenti wa bre na enu anom hu accident bi eba friend takwade kwa mu ha ba bi friend eye witness one day no oye passenger o tika no mu o hwe say the driver ne si etunko o ha na wa yi bi he no o se wa ka be bro say yi wonte na ono sabi minimo no so de na pam no when see no one report no kopi me say o de omko butu fa so na nyame dum wa mu bet ne sensan ana ono ka se we na na esi bro ni fe bi fatigue said na ekwan no enipa wo student enka se ontimi ntwe wo mu nyina onko ontimi emfa enipa ni nyina enti kakra obetimi di akọ opa na wajiwa home nyame adum a wojiwa home ade tia na onso kọ ka na anu me ba mu studio ho kro ye kai ye won hihye a friend say don hredo do a esa wo de kaka don hredo do esa wo de kaka ne ye don hre nwotwe na don hre nwotwe no so don hre na bia no esa nka wotimi jiwa home be se anya kura be se simadu asan enti se rest of say wo ho no do aban ne nye ne de but private ones wo ho ni be bi kura bi ni kura betimi eduru bi a se ukọ Cape Coast ani ade a uduru man kasimu ni ade a be ho a betimi agina petrol shell bi no akwaji wa home even kura onye bibia kura betimi akọ ne nam car ne ho no atonsuo bi ba ko bi no ano na wo de arrest ka ansa no wato aso but ye nuanom ne ye manu a omo chika sese no ye fi say ye deda ye ho wo ko fa drobia no so fi so wa hoode but you cannot deceive nature say and nane ba wo say o kwa ba se no wo ye mahyo no abopitiri wo ye mahyo no abopitiri e mane ntoso me yensa de be toso me yensa no se wan ko asamado a be dia ko akoda no ompe nti fatigue e ka ho pa ena ma ye kwahia ne dosu ana be brenso ise se obesimu ntem obahi ye nhihye se bia me ko ha ne yi me free ha sa time nam se traffic e wo kwa so nti onko obakwa ko di traffic mu sa no wa stress up enti was stress sa na afi onye ba bia e kakra no so afi no communicate center se be enyansa enim enti sa ne ma we no nyina kan wotitiru ena di sa kwahia no ba because no do no aya ko hwede enko hwe se ka no bibi na atu ana se bibi na abu ni nyina ye nipa mfom so enti nipa mfom so no bebre ana me chire fatigue wrongful overtaking ana your friend say unplanned trip say I didn't know me ko had say me free have bread say enti say me ko traffic bu kra enu bread say no na me duru bia me ko no na emfa ehye bia e me hyew ma wako driver say the ense na wo do kwa to asani mu na fe wo dia betane afoforo so enti ya do say we a bebre ka say abonsam but abonsam no onye bibia nka yedi yes bronya say ya aya chede Kristo no abawi ase wono wo ya chede odi odom odi odo na de baaye ade na afede nka yenumu na afede yekun ni pa se bi na kwa ase enti ye ni ayesu ni ye ban no ene hihye boni ayenye no ana station fo na nkasa so a omo no ehwe adrawa fo bebre so emwa obi okra ne tai enye na na me be ka che tai kra ye wo de asfai ni niema and I'm saying the consultancy a year, yes, see I free. And so be a cry chima to obos and what chimo the akoto we no obonyum. Oh, and she said, I buy no and she said you order that. You free be continuous education. So I shemukina, so be share driver phone, I'm almost fiana, the dear my bo, and nipa name kwaho by dia. Me stroke akra. And she ever said, the best friend says, I'm not a cray. Enya ibia enya musio bia eni ye eni yesu ene de sa kwahia ne ba nti ye hwete ye besesa na ye be ye de ye ya bra ye koba enipa ho but enforce nko sai adechia na watu ye ne sa ebua na aboye ho ban pri sa na kakra ya aka be se na nkono ana sa yi na afina koda wiye no ye nti oye ne buebue bia enka
Yo, SK Manu, ya bedo asene umbre no wadaji a wama yesua de anapa ya o maximum ni du yeda asepa.
Yo, Mr. Davoni nyamenye egbo.
Yo. Ye freno SK Manu ena no pay wama yesua de chirim se afene kɔ na wie se ya. Yama ye ni na ho na ye nhwe ho so yi na munyai se. Da bia baifo mo boye ninsa no ne abremo. Ya bremo. Na ye kan se no yen demonstration no eba so se ne de police for na fra yen se ho kwan edem enti yemra na yembeje ye letters ni ti demonstration no ye no 24 December eda ukuada abefu a ogana nyina ye demonstration munnim na accident bi si na mo de hye yen ye start e de afi circle ne betwam akoka so a
Muduka go sifa kaso nyanyano
yeni abere
ano fanko
yeni abere
na musumu nya tete ni enya mu ho ani
na mo so ya na bibia ni abefo bibia ni abefo
mu na moye ya ndie de behye mu na moye ya
it in 24th demonstration we munnim na mama mani na mo kono mo kwase ansa no mo kono no mo kwase awi na accident bi si na mo kasa ya abefo a ye be ye mo no
ndese no demonstration wa na be di omonim
oh ye president o se chewa afia bruchiraba
waba sa nti onu na be di monim oh okay na vice
bigger quest e ka ho
one day onu organizer bigger quest
e ka ho
organizer
ono so nanim se befo se
oh nanim se de
befo bigger quest o ka ho
oh bigger quest ka de so de wajia to
wajia se
bigger quest de wajia to
se na mo boy ni na haye
nti so be rep him fa
me me di mu de
ne say abefo protest na mo be ye no 24th
ye gina mu ku ada
okay so we kwade 24th ti mo be start time be
oh ebi be fi akiraba ebi be fi kuma se ne konongo mesimu ahemache o me fa ye plane na bia dia ba
na plane mu ye defa
o ha e kwa ho masa me yom security brima na
ye be brima na gingira brima
ye nkyerɛkyerɛ mu abɔnten ye hia mu a me de om secret to abɔnten
obenya asem
ya de ba
nti mu kyerɛ ayi this year yi de nya de se mu be ye ayi bia
this year yan kan ye ho
nko sabi nkonom ne nkwase yansa
emmeka se
pra nkwase ya pra bia me yankase mu
this year no ya adwen se yan kan ye ho ye muwo bia because already no se na mo boy ndin na befo no ha din ntini this year ya adwen se ye muwo bia ai ntini this year ye nkwadwuma ti accident bi e besi bia no ye ni ho hwe
oh okay
na unim se unim ade ba kwa befo ye ni je ho pa
okay then
oh ma me hwe se menya ade ya mo ade ba kwa befo ye ni je ho pa tie
abaifo ye ni je pa ye eta me kame chero osa etimi ma ye ni je sa sesei we jem kui we jem we jem fo na me ye ni anje
na abaifo be no na e ka sa asem
ade ma abaifo ye ni je pa ye eta
kumi we o de focus ni
etimi ma ye ni je sa
sesei we jem kui we
jem fo na me ye ni anje nkuhie mu an what the tane diagme
twati
ade ma abaifo ye ni je pa ye eta me kame chero osa etimi ma ye ni je sa sesei we jem kui we jem fo na me ye ni anje nkuhie mu an what the tane diagme
fa abayisem no ntonchen uwi a wakokomokom adawroma yenko yeni
enti no mo sempa mama fasina dia metwitwa ye na
na na mo ni gi sa de no
eta no
ana no ni gi hu
ye feelings e wetanim
u feelings wetanim
abefo
na mo pam fa hye mu na mu ya nipa na mu ye
Welcome to Monday morning.
It's that time of the year. Get ready and come home. It's celebration time when Christmas knocks on your door. Everybody, come together. Christmas is calling. All your gifts are welcome. The food and dancing culture, they on another level. No snow, but Christmas in Africa is the best. Noël en Afrique est une belle expérience. Venez découvrir l'ambiance et la différence. En Afrique, l'amour nous invite. Kutuma upendo kwa watu duniani kote. Everybody, come together. Christmas is calling. All your gifts are welcome. The food and dancing culture, they on another level. No snow, but Christmas in Africa is the best.
Max FM. Max FM. 89.7.
It's that time of the year. Get ready and come home. It's celebration time when Christmas knocks on your door. Everybody, come together. Christmas is calling. All your gifts are welcome. The food and dancing culture, they on another level. No snow, but Christmas in Africa is the best. Noël en Afrique est une belle expérience. Venez découvrir l'ambiance et la différence. En Afrique, l'amour.
All right, James, I am queer. Mina, yamfa update. I hope you are edifa. Your novelist, I hope you are Max TV. No, yamfa emana yam queer nim. Me mami atena se yam queer na me mana kwaba. Sensational akofa anapay me mo ache me pacho ete saying.
Yeah, me dear.
Ahode wo ho.
Ane me hoye.
Yeda se for motivation no manya bia hwe wo social media. Yeda se no nkran hye sama o de ma followers.
Is asio. Ena da no me da se wo ma misika ketu ebi se me fa nko anso mo.
Oh ensuro.
Fast anso.
Ensuro me twa tu.
No.
Why? Me twan soro ho na so watem nka wase ho. Why?
Mo hwe ma mi su yo.
Mami akwaba.
Yeah, me dear.
Yo, anope wadaru ma yenti update ho.
Okay. And then no, you can't buy me love. Ubehunu say, a friend is saying, bingo, ne nana. Once I nan mami ni ehano dada. De bia ni hano. Na kwala ni hauti. Mami se onu awa kwa akotwetwe gyaye. Mo gyaye ye fi na to de bia unkotwi. O mami so hwe na so efono na no akasa afaade na o si wo otwi. Otwi ya na mami patre na to obo ho na de ti ebo ho. Nti ye de no ko hospital no. Ye ko hwe na wo ba ko no. Anche bia oni ye ne ba bingo mo kasa ye a efi mami na ni ti no bigo so grandma sorry na di breakfast mami ye ni ti na o hwehwehwe wo hunu hwe ena na wo he fa mi na ono so so grandma jagro na wudi no wo fa na light nana wɔhwɛ yɛ o sɛ nane n'ani no ɛkɔkora n'ani kɔ efi sika ni fie bingo wo maami oye sikeni wabɛpa ɔkyɛw wo so mfa nkyɛ no nti papa ne sɛ yɛnkɔ maami wɔ ɛyɛ den yanka no de ɔbɛma yɛ sika me yɛ de ahwɛ grandma eni bingo si hen ne hen me nkɔ da so ahomaso ni bi ni no I'm poor and proud nkrofo bebre na wɔ hɔ a ehia no oni bebi obenya wɔ bate nipa no wɔ hinti no wɔnkɔ but me de me futu am de be etu wa ne say December yi mu sa wo hia bibie firi obi hɔ na wo ne nyɛ fine krampo a wo de petu ene ne nyɛ fine ene nipa ne nyɛ fine na sa wo ne ne yɛ fine na sa wo kɔgye wa de na sa wo yɛ na wo be sa continue da ka yɛ na ene de no because don't say and you need something from somebody because this person is like this person is like this, so you won't go. And then now what one hour bre, poor and proud. Wuni bi, enso wo so wo bre, ebi na de obedimpo wuni bi. Obi a woni ne besere obema atansi dia, de akoto koko bi ano pampo anom no, ebi a wo benya wo. But because of your pride, enti yen hwe your pride ye. Enti ne maami na efi ne ni efre ya bingo so so wonko ne maami ho. Ena nadamfo ye aba so wo ba beboa no. Wo ka se nadamfo no so so wo de maami a eye den a meye adwuma na me de ama. So wadamfo yi so mbisa se fama ne back. Eni ade enti na ese ye hwe ne ye. Na ye hunu si dia abrabo ye bebo na siafa. We can make things easier or easy for ourselves. Ye boni here. And you have sisters. I have sisters. Rina, and I wanna what this guy's on. Also, we are lesser. Although we couldn't know, but still, we say, and you want to me nipa moka na asem no. Me nipa me na waka me Rina, me nipa friend Rina. You are pretending, so continue to pretend. If you want bashless, actually, akola bonifo. Our whole person walk ben. And a yakato said, Munch say, no, yes, and I must say, actually, who about catch and papa said, what's yasi? Internet to obo ma mi said Debbie, oh yeah, me ba, and money abadai, oh yeah, me ba, and me who see the man who went to me, but now what me my mere so cause sound to said Diana by and say, hey, ma, what be yama, she say, you na say, say, oh, quack of I will be, you wouldn't say definitely, or back at you, who ex husband said, what's yasi? It's in your butre, my meeting a horse, Anna, a ja. Nyame adomashini nankasa ope uba bia eko baby na was sorry call ye and if your honor say Diana facha me wa Diana facha so when she was taking the decision. You people have planned everything. If you bana na wo yes ano no they more planning na wo adwin ne na me nti wo ba Diana mbe twe wo adwin ambasa ankasa ma mi say yanka wo blow cover na tese de besi esi and I jacket so e wo ho no mo na o ka che papa say me say Rina me say Rina papa so say me na me yere no me see enyo ono a impress say me see enyo a ya omo ka investigator e ma papa na investigate but ohunu say ono o say enyo ono ene mu nsem bebre enti ene no wo hwa repeat ne na wo sa hwa enyimra beti ase e na wa flash so Anado ni Ivy aware baby edre efi di Anado omo exchange house ewie but say Ivy bekasa I do no Ivy nka ena Anado de waka say I do Ivy gina hon ka pe na Diego ofri baby dremika na ye me say Anado ni ma ye wiki da ware omo ba be ware no wa pe nkrofo sanka ye nsutu Ivy ni ye nku no ena eyi Diego eni Madrigal no mo ye yes ama nkrofo ntumi nku Ivy efie tire yi edu so say Ivy so beka say yes I do Ivy nka ena Ivy gina ho ena eyi ye friend is saying that guy cry friend is saying Diego aba say aware na ntumi maso enti ye ho no o de mi ja esi ho a anope wo a wan hwe no ye wie money deal ya we to me share from 9 to 10 ena ewia so 1 to 2 no ye be yi the house is said the amount ena 4 to 5 ye be yi can't buy me love the amount ena wo wunim dada 5 to 7 p.m. e be your brother said the amount so the time I ye di yakasa 7 p.m. is for house sisters and then 8 is for the wildflower me pato show na hwe ne hunu say Ivy ni another aware no Ivy beka I do and asa onka I do hwe wate hwe maye enna Your bonnet so I can't buy me laugh. Near the successor, Eddie Amon. Share. Now we'll be telling you, Bibrass, your novelist, no share, and Shannon Track. See a catch last and a catch say BB Babruno, BB Babruno, watch and win. Any novella chatty, a combo ye be ye, a new maffe fair, our heart 25th, and Tino. Yeah, and my wife didn't come baby. I will tell you the detail maybe tomorrow or Wednesday, so you will know. And Tino me that say, we are some part edit me.
Yan so yeah that's say a tone saffron by yeah that's a pa. You, mommy.
Yeah, mommy, they are not best Americano. Maybe I ask serious.
Do the same now. Why, so the extra don't you? You
got my friend yesterday. I did a hand.
So what you say? All right, I'm saying, you try to come back near New Quasi P. I church and come here, Bassis here.
Hello, everyone. For your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, our Max FM 89.7. If you join that, Ekosi Fiada, about non-crew Kosi se Dumia Nubeboa. Program no air live on Max FM. Na nika semne se die. Ya system about non do Kosi se Dumia Nubeboa. Program no SIN live on Max TV. Ho any Boran Crofireman so. Ni akofa the major leagues around Europe. Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, any de kikaon. Afeso so about the kutukubon sem dia. Enwa any Max TV, Max FM. Unim se Bukom Boxing Arena. The BIA ho Professional Boxing League. Ya de hun seminar ebeba Max Sports Park Jumedie no so. Afeso so Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League, and the Division 1 League. Ya is the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football. And afempo agudie nsema ekoso yemaemu. Your segment bit to say the predictor. Emu hwampa ya the matches beba ya be more odds. Now so what's me atwa dibi. Sounds so any of the big interviews and penifo kukudan omo kasa edimu ewo Ghana any wiase agudie nsem omo any omo atwetwe komo inti shiame minima bedwafo efiti joada ekosi fiada ewo Max FM and Max TV.
The streets, the heat, the energy, the heartbeat of the city pounds at one destination only. The Accra Sports Stadium. This December 24, 2025, the Errington Music Group presents the Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition. The Beam President Stone Boy returns to the center stage at the biggest African party. This is not just a festival, but another historic night in the making. Tickets are going fast. VVIP 400 cities, VIP 200 cities, regular 50 cities. Dial star 714 star 2025 hash or visit beamfestival.com to secure a spot now for an unforgettable night of music, culture, and unity. For sponsorship and more info, call 0501 550 000. This is a decade of dominance, and the torch still burns bright. Stone Boy Beam Festival 2025, the Torture Edition, Wednesday, December 24th, Accra Sports Stadium. Be there.
Don't see me like a fool because I don't do giddy giddy giddy.
Calling on all alumni. Join us
every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect,
the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasi.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
What school near you know? You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in
every Saturday at 9 a.m.
Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7 and online max.com.gh.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence Duke every Max Buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlets to start shopping. In Sheshaka Accra. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552. Mensaka Mekao!
Now what so dear?
Hey, Charlie, what's it? Imagine buying your favorite gadget and driving home a sleek saloon car.
Oh, yes. With Max Buys You Shop, You Drive promo, every purchase brings you closer to amazing prizes.
Just shop any product from Max Buy between 7th November to 31st December
and stand a chance to win a sleek saloon car, TVs, smartphones, and more. Your next buy could make you a winner.
So what are you waiting for? Shop now and let's make your dream drivable with Max Buy.
Max Buy. You shop,
you drive. For further enquiries, call Max Buy on 054 401 9552. Terms and conditions apply.
This promo is being run by the NLA on the Caritas Lottery platform.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4 verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
$89.7 we'll rock. Max FM, what do you do?
Kumi kasa eye baako pɛ edin no eye baako pɛ menkɛs ne kwasi ada untumi fa duadan so untumi fa bladan so kumi ututu ka ututu dam ututu tam waje bam watu fie watu bum watu todan obaje bam betu ka kumi kasa that the TM state governor ebe shew
Maji tina me dane di winji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi febe de aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM koswa fili masaya se
Me fana po wa mrenyina matineri angelo na me free se wa todo unti onya mi hote piarato Nesu I'm raining and say me not coming away. Says a dear.
Welcome to Monday morning. Max FM.
89.7.
Matimia shadow Nam fisa wato lonti Onyami hote biarato Neso I'm raining and say Me not coming to it Says a dear Me nyanko bay wa me chain Yo Every roja
All right, I am Akwaba and from Max 89.7 Max Morning Dew and our Sugusu with your friend Kumika Semrason. Yane Yenia Bema Yembibia Kwasi Poku Baba to train Komo our Max Morning Dew Jumadian. Your friend Kwasi P. Kwasi Poku, Madame Fubidin. On see much papa 25 years next year. Utifi ye mubi age man na chese. Adia ba kwa ya na magana for kai Kwasi pipa aye ne album sa hodo diaba. Ebi ne krokrome akono ya any nyaneme the year 2007 13 songs on a TikTok continue keke for so for yamponsa anyone one papa yakopon fa the crancy sabom we ma yema yeni abema best male vocal performance unya no baby a aji say legend nsa no anapa ye ne Kwasi P ye ba betwetwe nkomo as I say 25 years of Kwasi P's music experience Jumadi na baso and na fam sa adumai ayere so 10 years na ye gya kwan ba Kwasi P agina ma 25 years Ghana unya hit ba kunya mienu aso ye kwotena se na sese nkoda na eba no ye be gya kwan sese ya ba Kwasi P dio se da agina na so 25 years ye kire ho ani so ye ba ba gi ani yani Kwasi P ye ba ba twetwe komo ye nkwa na ye mabusuafo na kwa ba ba so ne me papa na ba ye Mike mienu bra Kwasi adapa ye mu ache
me je osuminia
mpacho bibia bokọ de
jana do wo humi mobo
ahoden wo ho
yes
Mike mienu Mike 2 baby
yes baby
boss Akwaba
ya odeshe ba
mpacho ahoden wo ho
ya me ya dom pa oba cry na me tewoti o na me share den enhia
oh okay
ase me do kodi fufu na me mo akwa abatu akra
mpacho me dase
aha
ene se ne kwan bia so no na chese
me do be 25 December
all right my two years say yo bra Kwasi
yes boss
25 years yes wa hihye dwumadi kase bi pa de brega na fo wadaroma ye fa no hye ye nkomo na se
okay so 25 years my SM celebration I'm a Ghana phone
okay
obi amra na obe support na ye celebrate but I think a dance there a woman Emma celebration way etimi yesronko and as a dance so cool and he said and yamia per se crowd I'm a celebrity but I'm doing it for a good cause my dream and me team you decided say you per se support on crowd omo kokra me are ewo Kolebu cancer unit which is the children cancer unit
all right
you per se support on crowd and unti na ama jumadi we ya ebidi enye just for me but enkura nti eti no me aji obi a say obi a yele obi ambra na o mele o support
yade ahodo pi adenti na cancer nko
I keep saying say cancer no the nti ama me di cancer na chi ni say me papa a wo me no
okay
makoma edan ho pa te say ofi mu no ade ne timishi ade ne shini ananka saa time na me wo owu anu aduru kranka meje ne kwa cancer na ma ne fi mu
all right
nti no ade a since then no abaye bibia dam so a me ti dina na fence arho na say my very emotional and you know that's why yetena no as a team no different things came up na you say yanko ye donation ma orphanage we say oh yanko tutia prisoners for omo omuhoka na bi wo ha e bi kura na 500 bi entina oda ho and I say yenkotuatua but ni nyina ya chinu me say no I think I say me channel at the far cancer because me said that say obia I say obedi cancer chi na wa support to cancer patients.
After 25 years we celebration we be who say every year bia no baby bisa na say
yes Mr. Nyame Bible any nkwatenten Mr. Nyame Bible nkwatenten me pese obi o tie me bia to akoma so no obetimi aba on board na wa be support
Mpacha ba so da ben
25th December which is Thursday Thursday 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Ewo fence ewo the Icon event center.
Okay.
But me the see hand because me chairman buy. Yeah na voice no me person me chef fridge. Me person I na person me kasa be ma me chairman to us.
Yeah.
Why?
Mike 2 baby.
Yes baby. The 25th December and program na ba so the Icon event center. Time in 8 p.m. na ya shase. Na ticket near 300 Ghana cedis. Rating of 300 Ghana cedis. So pese na so pese ye pese obi a to be at the my enti because he say the 25 years in the music now was celebrating no. Pese adofo nyina ehu ne mobo na mba support no say any jebeba. Na kumi ye nyina anim say artist de ma ho de kosoro pa ebra omo edru stage na crowd no eye massive. And into because he wants to see a massive crowd at East Legon, the Icon Event Center. Opibiata, and I see a person to be my no. A star 714 star 59 hash. Star 714 star 59 hash. And ope say offer number so na unya table packages ni bin so your table packages so number na 0553 064 460 0553 064 460 artist eba kan kwesi ho keche Joyce Blessing Ochiame Kwame KK Fosu Akwaboa and other 2 or 3 surprise artists are omeba jumedi nase enunti ye to nsa de afro bibia se ya woda ya na program ne ba so ewo the Icon Event Center na mpempi no eja Ghana type last minute se ne nkofo eto ticket no ye be stress e wo so beto de ntisa wo be ko page ni so na se online so no ye be kan se sales no ya close sanse ye pese enipa na eba no enko bumfa so enti ya hwe auditorium ho capacity na ye di juma no pese obia tumi enya that space na obetumi asa na waginani ewo jumadi na ase to bia momoden ase obeto ticket no sese ya na se ne kwasi di tu dwa no enkwara 25 na ya select na ye ko support wo no ye program ya sika ebenya no eno na yeyi mu kese pa na dia ko supporting kwara no ntie bia na wutie Max FM na uni Accra mpo na obia okuma se wotakrade o Volta region Central region na wuntumi mampo a wo de fato akoma so se enkwara na ye ko support wo no nti wo so donate bi na wanya nhyira de free otumfo nyankopon ho star 714 star 59 hash ticket na bi wo Joy FM kokomlimle na ebi nso wo airport shell bachona total na say offer number edi 2 dwa no 0553 064 460 obenya ticket ni bi anase packages no na ya reserve bi amount enti Thursday 25th December any program into share ya tare any 25 25th December 25 years in the music in the year 2025. I feel the Quran the year 25 selection of children crab account enya 425s a year Jumadi a Thursday momra na yɛnhyɛ Kwasi P anuonyam na n'enyum bebree na ɛwɔ hɔ a woba na sɛ yɛto nnwom no live band ɛne yɛbɛbɔ nti saa da no so deɛ anigye ɛbɛba paa yɛto nsa de frɛ obiara.
My two ɛna yɛte ne nka no ma sɛ bi sɛ mɛpɛ sɛ bɛkɔ de ama Kwasi P. Aside adɔyɛ a yɛyɛ de aboa nkɔdaa wei no celebration we a ɛba so yi is it because sɛ na ɛwɔ sɛ anka Ghanafoɔ yɛndi kan and celebrate Kwasi P no wohu ne saa nti na deɛ ɛte saa deɛ ma me celebrate me ho.
Dabi ɛnti saa I think say it's about time because I say now me catch me people say oh child me say you celebrate me 25 years so no so watch a cry so it's not about say Ghana for celebrating it's about time say me and kasa me yes I would me friend I would it's sana akoye
ba Kwasi sɛ wone me nso bɛyɛ adwene nso sɛ na ɛwɔ sanka Ghanafoɔ yɛgyegye Kwasi P so yɛde Kwasi P esi aka kakra na
oh say na make no say of course yes but we're hoping say you wa hoden a still like that's what game no e bi nneema bi betimi asesa me ogide nti no ja yen share sapomusu
no be amra 25th na
25th will be amra
mo celebrate no
yeah why
all right
ehona remember me who say okay now no I feel I'm part of
say the Ghana for Asha celebrity Kwasi P
yeah
na flyer no so yehwa yehu enkoda yi a aba bi sabe new guys ya aba bi ya hye dan hu bi a wo so omo no da so te se na omo no te na wa hu
oh say obia oh say do baby a adwuma we no it's all about sacrifice you know do na ebe feel say chale bro nya about I was able to cash out and you know so be jai ni ebia ni sika pudu bi o baby na wa be ye you know ya na nkra no mo ntisa ni o ma ziti se mpanyfo na omo so and you know and na amana because adena me like I said me here they are support nkra and the sika sheda eni and as sponsors so sheda in so but about sana I am a new be a person sacrificing you know I mean here
but I say I can't say no ubo more than reach out to
of course there
but I say my Indian to me because shows are hold inti companies are hold on yeah pese yembra on board na yembe sponsor no equipment so na ebefa ebetimi get in touch
say Mike
number na dey to you 0553 064 460 na one of our team members no enkasa na at least Ghana for another company to so aba amo eboa en kakrakra endpoint we party clinic nyaminsha no papa special eyes nyaminsha no na ansa na kra na ebobo yes sponsors no Max TV Max FM so more airtime amo dia sponsor ya no eso pa nyaminsha mo timo kan yes sponsors ho nyaminsha mo na afi because is a clinic na yana
Sazian clinic
okay Sazian clinic and about no do French
Veuve du Venet
and blue jeans omunyina yaminshira papa na kominso yaminshira say waton sa friend say yemebo edwumade ehu da rusan say wo space mu no unim say ne yedwuma etie nti one way or the other what you can do as a host no also why and a station so I need the parent yaminshira na yami adoma Thursday 8 p.m. and adwumade ne shase star 714 star 5 hash yɛkasa yɛ abɔmmɔden ne tɔ ode sisia star 714 star 59 hash yɛma obi biara fisha pa obiara hia wodɔ nti wopɛ wodɔ a bra ɛyɛ the Icon Event Center nyame adoma Thursday anwummerɛ ɛyɛ 8 p.m.
Enti da ben na kwasi p e ba bi because I was saying ntimi monkomo because I said na de celebration nti ana ase ba enti na de ntimi anhye da ni nkomo bi asa
nyame adoma kwasi wie show ya yenhwɛ next year
enti next year me album ba my album emu ohwan pa
enokwa na nyame adoma after January na mu ho ba bia na just say ti obeba
kwasi pi unyo makwa ya me de pa ya nwum we
Welcome to Monday Morning. Max FM. Max FM.
89.7.
What else? And you want me to come and
enti ye ne kwasi p ye na etwetwe nkomo na enche na ye de oni ochia me kwa me new song ba ye na ya ye de beso so na ye gya ne kwan esa se dwumadi ne do so pa na enwum we ba mu no na me kai se kwasi e we de wadaro ma na nka we de nkomo nhye da ni hosa but we de akoba ne se abetwa no
I hope say nchima koma
em sa enwum we de sa akwade ama video no twa na maso ehu
yeah
one making who available besi nne
yentimi ntwa
anyway na
because me tia production na
wow
yeah but ambaso
anyway ba foforo na mu se na wakoma edi nwum echi pa but as a video twa na mem no
na ebu mabem ebu ma pre
oh but enum na do still kra na enum ni gina ne na so
yeah
nti still I don't say akwade nka
yakasa say you share olumba yase
oh okay
yeah you share olumba yase oh okay and after that my friend yakasa but kwasi bro kan bro it is what it is
and mo kasa ye hwe kwan say new project bi one say akwade be samba bi
well me dwe ho sai
all right ye be corner ye ti oni ochia me enwum no but still no me question back
okay be question ya go say adie so
wadaro ma ena no nkomo bi na Zion one Zion Felix nkomo bi ena obisa oba bi ho asem na okoka say oba no the standard ndu the kind of enwuma o ye ho
man cancer
okay
yeah man cancer and me team cancer
okay
so we go back na ko tie interview na we who say she took it in the wrong way because I say you busa me and I'm sere I mean
o bisa hwan
o say
o sere na o ka say hwan
and yes sir
okay
and yes sir I mean obiare the way of person fanasem obiare the way of person fanasem but me the other person me cheche mu ni na say you know they can say style any the way I will say will keep you will style no upese udi obi to album so na wonyum so a so hwe say nipa no style na oyen sorry I dey channel for say na emu as so hwe say nipa no style na oyen odi fra odi na ebetimi ama wo supporters kakra na wo wachi no o ma ye den o mani agya na wo ja say say what will style and have a direction of us all. Let me put it this way: it's a direction of us all. I don't think so. You know, as I said, when in DHC, as I said. So that was what I was trying to explain to Zion. You know, but they took it in a different way.
All right. Now, me Kai was say this time there. I born a home modern crime and now man for cratch say if possible cry 2026 artist of the year no yem fa manunti bia na fe this time dey bia na obetimi aye nwuma o fans ani beje ho na me kai
yo anya he asida radio
oni wa chia me kwa me nwum no obibini ana all right edie
Max FM 89.7.
But he came through to show me love. I'm a man, you don't need a soul. Not coming away, not coming fine. My friend will say, after you, I'm a tia, me bibini. 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 She was sent from above, I can't deny. Oh, I'm Brazil, but I know she the big she be sexy keke.
Your friend Kwasi P, you better not your jaw kwan na wako na enwom nkai ne de ya no ye de be ya hu bia wa ha. You know ye jaw Kwasi P kwan na wako.
Yeah. Me ye can say you be modern support it. I may adama on the 25th. Of December, Thursday. So which is coming Thursday, yeah. Right. You never be people. You never be people.
You go for no was.
Yeah. Ghana for say a combine say yeah 26 so we dey enti happen in boxing day enti and enti no already did enti ya 26 boxing day enti ya baba we come in our numbers.
Thank you.
All right, Brakwasi ye ja no akwi wanu December chapter
the American say obi amra because I feel we and you may see you when easy, you know, you know na your family be and you know say a bedroom pepper so we are say yes obi na told you was say osu hia ni go osu areho ni bibia gu na you know fa pe atare passion na be brand yenji ni and it's for a good cause like I said.
All right,
you know.
Yeah,
me dey da obi a me dey ma sebebre.
Yes, yeah, that's say to suffer by.
Apart from short code no ticket no you benya bi ato bi o baby ana.
Joy FM kokomnemli and airport shell bacho na total ahonyina bi o na number e dey to dwana ye 0553064460 no ofra obenya bia na short code star 714 star 59 hash star 714 star
714 star
59 hash
59 hash
hash no one no sir hash
you
uba ohaso obe
that is so yegusu ai uba ha o ye lucky a uba ha obenya bia to
that's the word yeah o ye lucky
and yes so turn them
all right Mike wanu December chapter na yan sorry
ya da se enti ya da busu nyina so ase ya da mase ya ka so obi amra Thursday na eho be de say ana on
you recipe ana pe bedo asese na no pe wa be sra yen
me da mase mass radio and Mass FM and TV
ya da se
Welcome to Monday morning.
Asumikuana umio. Nondo boya. Sija fosi jomoa. Afemi kankora. Obinelini soto mi komu. I can't bend me, and I'll come as some bize. Would you please dance with me? And I'm in me can't be true, say. I saw, yeah. On it, my chill, I'm a meeting Miami that day. Makamano Dokoroko, may we send it up by a door. It's me and me and they cry. Miss a kind of me and they cry. Share a baby in a passa, no one I'm so sassy ray. Where your bell more penny, yeah. I didn't to have a mommy, dear. I'm a bit go. Where your muffin, I didn't to have a mommy, dear. I'm a meeting Miami day. Makamano Dokoroko, may we send it up by a door. It's me and they cry. Miss a Canada, me and they cry.
Welcome to Monday Morning.
I have some Virginia bag. Now failure from you.
Max FM. Max FM 89.7.
So would you buy? So would you buy? I said, so would you? Yeah, money say I'm cry. So would you buy? I said, so would you? Now my brain crow. So would you buy? I'm imagining.
Your friend of Kwasi P. Yankwa Hamana Sona, Yane, Nana Bafu, and Chichin Como, and Nano Pay, Yankosha Koma, who are Baby Piemo. Ewo, a month for entertainment industry, Yasham Koma, a month for Choman Wesiswa, Omudi Home and Commando Pay. Nana Bafu and a pay, Yamo, Achayamo, Aquaba, Yamo, Fisher, paid by Max 89.7, Yadi pass and a pay Biabo Cordia.
Bapping another nation in Moya, Mamma Sophia, Panama, Tiffany, Sophia.
Ya Joso. Maybe I answer with you, deep pow.
About Hodia.
Me Pacho and Comoya. What shall see and no antina once and answer. Send me for watch a caca.
I send me man special a Merry Christmas.
Or banning Tina, me for watching no Stella no. Me whom about the what to man. On Kawanuntum.
Mr. Russia, you take him to Tomano.
Toname.
Mr. Voice, I'm in your voice.
Matthew, Baba, I ain't you and I fee only green casa.
Sure. Company, I might have for our BM Max FM, but Aroma. Christmas season and Patrona is so to inquire event to inquire. I'm off with the program. I've got so far so good. When you say any dear, medical any dear, quick smoke any dear, and no idea, so back to so any dear. Say, be a bonus show. Now practice back one. I mean, season way or running shows more power, also supportive fan, but your own minister could be free. and it's akɔ de ɔkɔ a wɔkyɛ nam ya ɛna ɔkɔ takra de na nam ya kɛsɛ ɔsɔpɔto artist ni nyinaa yana de ma ɔno so de ɛba so Grand Arena mpatwɔ season wei yɛ show nko a season na ɛno adua ɛna mpatwɔ yankasa de hyɛ nyinaa yɛ black service ɛyɛ Zamadi school ɛwɔ yɛ Legon Park ne so bapani amanfo bi ɔmo kɔ yɛ company ade ti ɔmo company ɔmo ti ma show no sase ahomakyefo okroko dako show no mo se tre ahomakyefo ahona mo se show na se ade ti ɔmo show no basa ai ɔmo tete kitchen ne bo ɔde na dade na ɔmo kasa bebe ba ɔmo kasa bebe nyinaa ti no bapani na panya na show da to gyina upe one of the shows amanfo akɔ this year pa amanfo kɔ pa bacho dako ɛka ho amanfo ba no shows ma show no yɛ de na amanfo tem sɛ ɛnam sɛ on say before say show the question no e kan ye boxing bi wo park na so it is a boxing count na ma mo set up na check aka it is be jab back when na the first thing na mo fan say and no show the question kama that is a pass through no share I mean man name for the buy here but so far so good what are there and no show the question kama na yanka say ko smoke so I one day be bra so some my witnessing this year so far because I opened the entry one of the powerful kwaku smoke ai kwaku smoke my helicopter beef so banana dinner but no share amount for a money this year but Skull Ghana I'm telling you Skull Ghana pa it's so far so good event in Kwana air cost event in Kwana eba but no for remember na selumba say how do we no nyenye you ai after this amount for bisu sama go say about 30th match o my you know now when abusu apprend to park any the team asaba bontin to park say ya me aduma match or be fix a year rumba concert na date no date ni mai then ni nyamba na ma fo bi kase ni say bi or say ai other party no ahubos or den you cause in kalumba ye time ya mo say time aban mo ntwen ko jam so mo ntwen ko atiri mo ya yi no na fe then na free studio mo so ba so the concert ba bra aye na Tuesday se be any for na aye ya ba palumba ni ba kasa aye o mo kan no mo ye aye no o se no aye ni de time no mo de ende ono ka se time no ase 8 ya do se fama fo bi kasa mo am kam no mu sem mo am say time no ye nya aye ni this time ran no e dey dey be so afre wa sa ba mo ti say I think aye ni ko akire na abemba ni se be Pacho, one of the show we saw across Ghana has here, my phone in Conwen. Pacho, and Yakupon Nam, Yankaseba, Dr. Shelby, so yes, and you will be Kumasi. Papa, me witnessing social costing, I do not cost Waka, do not cost Waka. Now, and not sure I Dr. Shelby, you Kumasi, a year Jubilee Park, the Bapping, and so in a secretary. And was like a sign, I'm phone and said, and also I see, I'm off for the Papa. The first acquisition name bought a Dr. Shelby and so on. So costing market for the first time, only the first artist why you mega show can say Pokemasi. Yankubushano. Now, but I'm for the soup, but I say shows here, cost shows here, bossing in Ano. A year artist Kimpeluta, a seven who Kimpeluta on board. Kimpeluta way, Kimpeluta, now. I didn't know what Uncle show be this year. Because of Madame Mamuya, but Kimpeluta. Kimpeluta say, seven prayers, I'll buy change. No, season we. Now, may I do my 30th about December or any concert? Oh, Kumasi, I told you. So I send the fans in of the Mamma mega show, mega concert. It's Yammy Aduman, but away Kimpeluta fan or Takwari. The Timabia will be ano. Then about 30th. If I for it, I told you. You need to park and so on my patrol. Kimpeluta is showing the age and giddy. Company says, season there, somebody can carry no. A event in Quad or some Kwan Kwan baby. It is a walk car, walk Kumasi, but will be an event will be a cost. The patrol walk Kumasia and worry because Kumasi will be a cost. Now, me at about 28, younger Papa, a year, I'm actually the airborne making. The patrol Koyanchi as well our Rectory Park. Sounds like younger say I didn't a year over here, Kumasi for a excess bound. The patrol I am not do. I'm not a ball show. I'm not 28. I will hear you so. Because the show will be Kumasi. Same way as show will be a cost of our car. That penny, my for boxing in terms now, I'm on 12 programs. Boxing a course, and I say, I say, any other penny, a year, free, any worldwide. If I told, just say, yeah, who did that, now share worldwide, and what didn't be an old year promo near the idea. pacho so no nya cost na so no court na say yen can be mo say red white abu free and am for so mo alarm o mo yem ko wo she obi a wa we ni para hwe di abo ni si so na o mo yem da pani say mo to say ye return back na ko so kuma sama ni omwa come for bi kire say the almost is car side and come ma akwaba e we ni oba ka nka nye de te o say mo ba ka we ni na ko to aso akwaba for krum so far so good ba pani yambo yankasa man pani his excellence John Dramani Mahama ne ba sare of Mahama so abaso abante dey papa consider ma interest in be by your boxing because first near entertainment the man say nyam to ne ball na bi ko nim boxing ka ho amama for brain nim boxing rules and regulations no omo dey answer what to point in there but on the 10th and quality bi o ma ultimate dey win fight e bi ani bebre ma hu ni rekoso be the point to yankasa papa Dr. Ibrahim Ama but on the back also know your program be the patrol on a cars as Cafo Gala say now say young boy out to a program massive despite moon in a bus ye be the patrol pay by him will make us here a year young Casapa over say aren't kill pay and they kill a year business going nice bus cars amount for a display this season radio the patrol Christmas a cost you pa amount for being the edge money but na ye ko na ye fast akwenye so atrama for say ye red season we mu no ye sere money de na ho ba se kwaso obi a hwe na nante yi wa wo drive ye very careful say o drive am pacha no mun sam so fan drive ye be sere mo piepie ko gi money no sebi yo ono bi pina na se pacha hwe men say so me hwe ma bia ni so me na me ko em hu ya ba pacha fa on sakọ ye sere mo a musu njama fo mo na mo ndi boga sam ba town no ye sere mo hwe mo ski the summer for brace to me some also, but all share some HIV is the way I tell to Sinogana Afrina, but a motion some. But as some of them forget, so motion was year. But a man who's from a catcher boys and a couldn't say, I mean, more come close that I don't know, networking, you are very careful. Rapping, if we say and they don't too much. Which if any could say or call a solution or networking, you're not doing the phone. Also, will tell you before we tell it. Tebesiraman for say afiaso yakopɔ de afia akɔfa to ye 2025 ensemble bebe na SCC aro ho sembe bebe yakopɔ bebe na ahwe omadofo ne agade se yakopɔ bo ho ba na akwa beso mendi na sumdwem mendi na odom mendi na nkabom yakopɔ nkan afo 2026 asumdwem eti da peni so far so good na information o si a edema amafo nyina no da peni mi ja okwe na me so so araroma the number is a number. It's Mr. Wafa. My first get SNM. But I must be
you. Nanaba fana pay so yada say.
Macho band voice no casting.
Hey.
Nana. O sleep your name to me go. Voice me just say.
On send this council down.
Abba.
Nana nezike da vene beba.
It's kind of that obe register a Momo bank account to fasten him wife.
Ma register.
Oh, dollar Momo account or
Nana.
Oh, papa.
Boko de.
When on your guy also registered the for account man.
Me go from.
You go from me come in the cities.
Nanaba fana pay that say.
That's the national number.
You inti nanaba fana yene na twetwe nkoma. Nkoma hodo ekoso entertainment industry no ode asom ye no. Clement Akwaba.
Me Josuminia.
Ahoden wo ho.
Oh, Krista Daroma. Ade achi ye di afi. Na ba bia ye wura no so de month of Mba no. Ye twa.
Na Mba no na se chese.
Ba
September. October.
Oh, okay.
November. December.
You. Now okay, you say a Donkuma wife no.
Lily. Mali.
Ana nikunu 1 year
7 months or so
8 months
8 months
ana mo se den
say Ghana for na e ba hye ma me eni sesi a ne ho kani ya wanya no
omo se anche kra no awa
omo se anche obi de kra se nko money for 5 years
Clement enkomo fa ne sen
me do aseni akonya wasama me bim minua o me offer simple ma me nka ne sa etiane se
yenim nkurɔfoɔ nsɛm ka baayɛ de yenim ka saa na yɛn na bibifo yɛ mu dodoɔ na Ghana ha kora yɛteɛ ɔse ne kunu afiri mu mfie afe ne bosome sɛ nson nwɔtwe sabi akama mu sɛ ne tuntum wayi dada
1 year
otimi kɔ baabi a dabi o ti kasa otimi kɔ baabi
after 1 year otimi kɔ baabi a
bosome nwɔtwe asan abeto so nipa koro na ɔkasa yɛ pa ne chɔpa sɛ ɔno ogya ne mpana no sɛ ɔtena ase bosome mmienu a ɔmbu sister naten ɔmbu madam naten ɛha adwene ne kunu awu sɛ nyɛ ɔne ne kunu no ɛyɛ ayɔnkofa na ɔne ne kɔfaeɛ
Ghana for some say na ye ni kunu ye osun ma na nwen da say ni manim ye obesan fa ma foforo
oh da bia meka na mekoso aka ne da bia me ofa so de onim se me no kreka de se de madwene kire me susu ho wie na me hunu se eye ewiase ye baaye ya amase ye beso obi ani eye yen ankasa de be ye ho beto se ye ntia obi na so de dinkan we are not in this world to please anyone. The woman say, "O soon or either." Eya yonkofa nua ene ade a da bia meka se me nua ne ho. Entumi nka se emre bi na me nua no. O se na ni kunu no wafrim. Na o sun tinka onye eno so sanka wansu a nka sa ni pakro na ade na obeka.
Eka se ni kunu kura wu ansu.
Me ofa boachi yadom. O ka se mi kire se kodwo. So ofa ositie asemwe ewiase a yewe. Nja meka se ye ni asase wo so ye beso obi ani. Na mmom de wo ye a wontie obi na so ma emfa wonko gina sem de no na ese wo ye wo abra. Wo se wanante abre na wato wa wonsuo wudu sika to wonsuo a wo nom no. Okwabrane bi gina nkyɛn. Won bie so na onom bo wie wo se